you everywhere you go.
Flying with that thing, imagine.
Yo, that thing is fucking huge.
No, I mean, Paul came up after you cut it up.
1 sec. It should be booting up.
Yeah, we gonna be good.
Hey. Back on.
Oh, so we gonna try to give away again. We gonna see if that shit works. Nah, you know what? I'm almost positive. Probably.
All right.
Yeah. We're back live. We're still getting some lag. But yo, chat, if you're here, Brittany Robinson, what's up? Welcome to the stream. If you're here right now, just let us know. Yo, Brittany Robinson, thank you so much for subscribing. You're a legend for that. Wow, 158 subscribers, baby.
Yo, we
let's
about to hit one.
get it. On the road to 1,000 subscribers, man. Thank you so much, chat. Thank you to everybody who supported the stream. Again, you don't have to support the stream, but if you do, just thank you so much, man. To all the donos that came in. All right, we got some people that are jumping back in here. Yeah, I think that should have fixed. Definitely, man. Things got hot for a second, dude. Holy hell, man. Note to self: we can only have 7 people when we're using the desktop. The desktop, yeah, the desktop.
Oh, stop.
Hey, I'll share some software with you guys that we use for our Academy of Technical Analysis. We have some other stuff, but we'll talk offline about that.
Bad, yeah,
definitely. All right, guys, as you're coming back into the stream, okay, Colin's back, Corey's back, Glenn's back. We're gonna be doing this giveaway soon. Yo, did we really lose all of our thumbs up on the stream, man? Come on, YouTube. What's going on, dude?
Well, you restarted.
You gonna wipe us clean like that, YouTube?
Oh,
damn,
yeah.
son.
It started everything all the way over, bro. Facts.
Oh, it restarted a whole new stream?
It did a whole new stream.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yo, my coffee's here.
Hey.
Oh, coffee. Never mind.
Yo, it's hey, just make sure that those tags are all in there, cuz.
I thought McAfee, but it's coffee.
Yeah.
Coffee, scotch, same.
Yeah,
we got Jesse back, Glenn's back.
I actually invited him over, man.
McCoff?
Yeah, I sent him a little message there.
Yo,
it was crazy. I was talking to Elon before the stream, man. He said he was a little busy. He couldn't come through today, but later.
We got Corey back. Yo, Corey, thank you so much for asking people to like the stream. Jazz is here. Steph is back. So right now where I'm traveling, like I'm in the town where I grew up, and one thing I absolutely love about doing this show, I after doing this show, man, I work up an appetite, man. I gotta be honest. I had dinner at like 6 o'clock. By the time I'm done with the show, I'm freaking starving, right? And around here, bro, you know, this is like diner country. Yeah. Like it's a cultural thing in New York and Jersey.
Wait. Hold on. Let me guess. You got yourself a pizza with pineapple.
Oh, get the fuck out of here, bro. You can get yourself off the stream, bro. That's illegal here.
Hold on.
You do that here in town, you go to jail, Carlos. They put handcuffs on you.
Why y'all hating on the pizza with pineapple, man? Yo, that shit fire.
Oh god.
Nah, we go to the diners, bro. Dude, the diners 24/7. Get anything you need, man. It's the best. Only people that have experienced it fully know what I'm talking about. Damn. Elon, but I can't lie though. Down south in Houston, you know we got the Waffle House, man. The Waffle House is the spot.
Oh man, I got some memories there.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, wait, Steven, where are you from, brother?
Well, I live in Colorado Springs. I was born here, but I grew up in Florida and lived in Virginia for most
Colorado Springs.
Nice.
Yep.
Oh shit.
Dude,
yeah,
nice.
You know where I work.
Yeah.
He's like, you know exactly where I work.
I got you, man.
Yo, can I get a whoosh real quick in the chat?
Yeah. Gotta be like a F-22 flyby, man, way over your head. at supersonic speed.
Hey! I love the F-22, dog.
You know what? I am actually going to the Springs next week.
Well, hit me up. Oh, when? I'll be in Virginia Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday.
I'll be there Tuesday, Wednesday, and leaving early Friday. I mean,
yeah, hit me up. Oh, well, hit me up Wednesday night. I'll come home late Wednesday night. We can go out and get a brew. I'll show you around.
That's cool. We can go to the freaking Texas freaking steakhouse, man.
What?
Ooh,
No.
the Texas Roadhouse?
Yeah.
Come on, man. This is Colorado. We'll go out and slaughter the cow ourselves and get some real good fresh meat.
That sounds good.
He said we gonna slaughter the cow ourselves, man.
Hey, can I throw a freaking little commercial there? I'm not wearing a crypto shirt tonight. I'm wearing actually a freaking one of our fellow military guys shirt. His name is Travis Mills. He got hurt, when doing his duty, and now he started this foundation up in Maine, and he's bringing all these guys together. They got hurt in war and stuff, and they bring him. They get sports going on, and just bringing the love to the people that really defend us. I just want to just throw it out there. I'll throw the link in there so you guys can look at it, and they look for donations. They look for people that just like bring some love to the people that defend us. That's all.
Yeah, definitely. Much love. And we're going to be doing some charity streams and stuff in the near future, too. So, we'll definitely be taking a look at all different types of foundations and whatnot. Definitely, veterans is up there on the list, of course. So we definitely support that. Shout out to Nicole Adams for subscribing. Wow. We have so many awesome people that are coming to the stream tonight.
Hey,
it is
bro.
legendary.
Bruh, can I say something real quick?
Nah, bro, you can't.
Oh,
Now what? Now what? Now what?
My bad.
Nah.
No, bro, like legit. I'm looking at the stats of that first video we just did that shut off. Bruh. Shit's bananas, bro. Look at the views.
It's lit, bro. Of course it's lit. It's the best late night crypto show in the world, bro. Come on.
So Jeremy told me that we got to give away some stuff as well.
Ooh, more giveaways.
More giveaways.
Dude, spreading the love. Okay, all right. So chat, if you're ready for this giveaway, let us know. All right, if you're ready for this giveaway, I want you to spam 1 in the chat. The first giveaway we're gonna do is 1,250 ADA, which is about $100 USD.
Do we want to do the whole thing at once or just split it?
I think we should do one lucky winner. One lucky supporter.
Home run out of the park.
So here's the rules. Number 1, you have to be subscribed to the channel. Okay?
Gotta.
You have to be subscribed to the channel. If you're not a subscriber, you are picked, you will be ineligible. It'll go right to the next person. All right? So make sure you're subscribed to the channel. All right? That's number 1. Number 2, you have to be present. Okay? So don't leave, because if we call your name and you're not here, we're just going to pick somebody else. Okay? Yo, Colin's more than ready. John says ready. Jesse says ready. Brittany says ready. Steph says ready. Corey says ready. I love it. Okay. So, now, Carlos, when that person wins, that lucky winner, how do you want to do it? What do they have to do to get the winnings?
Just either through you or myself, just send me a private message and with the wallet, and I'll send it. I mean, the only 2 wallets that I know they're good is the Ellis wallet or the Ledger. So
gotcha. Okay.
Whichever the choice.
Okay. All right. Cool. So guys, you got to make sure that
you know what I will make sure I get a conversation and we test it with just a couple ADAs just to make sure it goes through, and then we send the rest of it.
Gotcha. Okay. Perfect. So that's how we're gonna do that, chat. You're gonna have to reach out to myself, Lyndon, or Carlos personally off stream in order to claim your ADA. All right. And then the last and final thing, my friends, is you have to thumbs up this video. So thumbs up this stream if you haven't already. This one, because the bot is gonna tell me, and it's only gonna select the people that are subscribed, liked, and are engaging in the chat. Okay. So I'm gonna set this up, and while I do that, man, Carlito, bro, how was your day, man?
Today it was freaking fun, dude.
Yeah.
Running around, I cannot tell you anything about it, but it was fun. You know, I actually went to some meetings in the mornings, got out of that, and like, you know what? The whole week has been so stressed out. I'm just gonna go to the gym. Went to the gym, run about 4 miles on the treadmill, got myself all pumped up. Hop on my Crypto X Buddy yellow car that you know about, and just freaking drove home. I was like, fuck it, I'm just going home.
The yellow car.
Mm-hmm.
Awesome, man. Awesome, dude. Yo, Steven, how was your day, bro?
Oh man. Well, so McAllen 18. Cheers.
Hey.
The what?
Salud, salud.
Hey.
Yo, H2O, brother. Cheers. That's all I got.
That's
That's all I got tonight.
Oh, so.
I can see Colorado Springs wasn't too fun today then.
Well, no, I mean the city was great. The work, it's rough.
Did it snow in Colorado today?
Oh no, man! I was breaking a sweat today. Are you kidding me? It was like
in the morning, man.
Degrees.
In the afternoon, it snows, right?
No, it was sunny all day. It was windy today though.
Fuck, it was windy as hell on Vandenberg.
Yeah. Oh, I was just out there last month.
Damn. Liddy. Yo, I miss Colorado. I went out to Colorado. I went to Colorado Springs. Man, that was some of the most fun. 2 places I fucking love. Colorado and Seattle, man. I swear. If I could never go any other place in the world and just have to stay there, I'll be okay.
So I'm in Colorado and Sean's in Seattle, so you always got a place to crash, man. You want to come out?
Yo,
hey,
super appreciate that, yo. What's up?
Colorado, have you done the oh god, what is the name of this place? Steven, you help me out.
The Manitou Incline?
No, yeah, the incline. You go.
Yeah.
I did that, yo. When I went there, yo, I did it. Yo, that shit was insane. I was like, yo, it was so, yo. I don't know. No, here's the stupid part. I'm in regular clothes. I did not prepare for this. Yo, so my friend kind of set me up. They were like, yo, we want to take you to this really tight spot. You know, it's like they said it's just like a walk up a hill, and it's just this really beautiful view.
Walk up the hill.
Yeah, they said I walk up a hill. So I'm like, you know, and I'm like, I got on regular clothes. Am I gonna be okay? Yeah. And they was like, oh, no, it's cool. Don't worry about it. You good. Yo, we get there. I look and I'm like, yo, you an asshole. You are really an asshole.
It's only 0.9 miles. Come on, man.
Exactly. Damn near straight up.
Yeah.
But once you're on the top and you look down, that's
a beautiful view.
Scary,
yeah.
man.
And then you got to go to King. After you do that and you run back down Bar Trail, you got to go to King Chef Diner and go get yourself a grunt.
Man, see, now my problem is I'm a vegan, so I might have issues with that part.
No, you have the bar. You got the bar right at the bottom of the hill, so
yeah,
that's true.
Yo,
that's
1
true.
second, guys. 1 second. I think we're almost ready to go live with this Cardano giveaway. Okay. Chat real quick so everybody knows.
You want my address now or later?
What's that?
Cardano's mine, right, Carlos?
So chat. So I'm gonna hit this button here. Okay, and it should work.
If you wanted my freaking address, that means that TA is looking good then.
Hey, so chat real quick. So the keyword is gonna be Cardano. Okay, so when I tell you to type in Cardano in the chat, that's when you have to do it. When you type in Cardano in the chat, if you do it right now, it won't work. So if you're listening to the sound of my voice and you type in Cardano right now, you will not be entered into this giveaway. Okay, you have to wait until I say go. But when you type in that keyword, it's gonna enter you into this giveaway. Okay. And then it's gonna be completely random. It's gonna select one person. And that's how the cookie's gonna crumble. 1,250 Cardano. coming your way. All right.
Oh.
I'm gonna hit roll it and let's
Do you get it to work now? Since last night?
I'm gonna see. This might not work. If it doesn't work, I'm trying something different. Then we'll do it. So everybody start spamming in Cardano right now in the chat.
Get it. Get it.
And hopefully this works.
So everybody's typing Cardano, right?
Yeah, just type in Cardano. Are people doing it? I can't see on my end.
Yeah, they're rolling.
Okay.
Yeah, they rolling.
All right, so I see Brittany Robinson, Colin Wade, Corey Madden, D-Lock, DJ Torque, Glenn Lee, Israel Tennis, Jesse Durney, John McCoffey, Pisces Traits, Stephen Tony. All right, keep it coming. If you're watching this right now on Facebook, you got to come over to YouTube to enter this. Keep entering, guys. This is $100 right here. $100, a.k.a. 1,250 Cardano. Sorry?
What? How long for? Time.
1 minute.
Wise. A minute?
1 minute. Oh, on the timer.
Oh, it doesn't matter because once you can only enter in once. It's going to be random. So we're going to give you 60 more seconds, chat. 60 more seconds. Let's get a timer going.
There's 17 people in the room right now, and there's about 85 responses. So
all right.
do the math.
Yeah, what the heck?
Yo, chat, listen. Keep spamming it up, okay? Keep spamming it up. And
you have to be subscribed to win, though.
Yeah, you have to be subscribed. You have to thumbs up this video.
Facts.
And you have
and
to
gotta send me $1 million. Oh, that was out loud. My bad.
Yeah,
you have to.
I want half of that too.
You gotta tell everybody who when you wake up tomorrow, you gotta go tell somebody, one person, hey, you gotta come out to the Late Night Crypto Show on YouTube. Yo, Israel, thank you so much for subscribing, buddy. Welcome to the community.
Facts.
All right, so just type Cardano in the chat. You're gonna be eligible to win again. This is 1,250 Cardano giveaway, 100% free. On courtesy of Carlitos Way, Carlos, aka Area 51, the guy, the man of many mysteries. You never know where he's at. We don't even know if this guy's a real person. We don't know anything about him. He stumbled on the show one night. We don't even know how he got here, and now he's giving away 1,250 Cardano. Everybody loves Carlito, so thank you so much for doing this. All right, is that time?
A lot of people.
I'm going to give you guys the heads up real quick. Out of everybody who entered, there's still people that did not enter. So if you did not enter, I just want to give you a heads up. You might want to type it again, or we're just assuming. Dude, you're eligible, bro.
They might not be subscribed. They might not be subscribed.
Yeah, you're eligible, man.
You're eligible.
Right.
Come on.
I'll put it in there. Fine.
Yeah, everybody go ahead and type it in, man. So we, Jazz, I see Jazz. Okay.
Can I win?
Colin, if you send me your spare Lambo, I'm gonna chop it up into parts, and I'm gonna build like a pinball machine for my son.
Hey, Linda, I'm letting you know right now. If you win, we're passing that shit to someone else.
And while I'm thinking about it, Colin in there, that dude is really sharp. His TA is freaking awesome.
Colin's the man. He's a legend. Much love to Colin for being here. Definitely. All right. We got 20 more seconds. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16. Guys, Cardano in the chat. Just type Cardano to enter. 12.
Drop it.
11. 8. 4.
Cardano.
12. 7. 9.
Yo.
5.
He started saying
4. 3. 2. 1. And here we go. I'm going to hit it. I'm going to hit it. You ready? It's going to say roll it.
Let's get it. What we doing?
Yo. Pisces Traits Rule 373.
Nice. That was
Pisces
one. There you go.
Pisces Traits Rule 373. subscribe to the channel. They thumbs up the video. And they've actually been subscribed. Pisces has been subscribed since April 8th.
Right.
Yeah.
So Pisces, I think you're an OG supporter. Who is Pisces? Pisces, do I know you? Like off stream?
You can't talk to him. He's a fish. He lives underwater.
Yo, Pisces, congratulations. You just won 1,250. Cardano, you're always here. Pisces is always here. He just entered the room.
Yep.
Let me see here. Yep. No, you commented. Pisces, congratulations, dude. Doesn't matter whether you just entered the room.
Yo. Wait, hold up. Hold on. 1 second.
What?
Uh-oh.
I can't believe my eyes right now.
What?
One of you guys just signed up as a member for Block Society.
Really?
Congratulations. Welcome to Block Society. Expect an email from me in the morning.
Really?
Oh,
hey.
Uh-oh.
Thank you.
Hey, I'm telling you, man, the legends go hard, bro.
Oh,
the legends go hard, bro.
Nailed it, man.
Woo! Yo, shout out to Pisces. Can I get a just show Pisces some love to say, congrats in the chat. See, that's what I love about this community. Everybody's already saying congrats. Pisces says I was born a winner. Yeah. Pisces, take a seat in the back with your Cardano, okay? No, Pisces says I'm old school. Dude, you are old school because I remember you being here supporting, man. Carlitos Way just blessed the whole room. Yeah, and guys, look, we have more giveaways. Steven says he's doing a giveaway.
Yes, absolutely. I actually got 3 prizes for you guys.
3 prizes.
Oh.
So what I got, we tried to do something a little bit better, but sorry. Thank you, honey. Appreciate it. My wife just poured me some more scotch.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah. She's awesome. I love my wife. She's awesome. So,
no, for sure.
Right. So we talked to our attorney, our chief compliance officer, and we wanted to give giveaway some free memberships, right? Bring you guys into Block Society, bring you into the family, and help you learn to take advantage of your own financial future, your own financial freedom, give you the tools necessary so that you can be successful and on your way to that financial freedom, right? Unfortunately, the lawyer said, hey, the SEC doesn't approve of that. You can't give it away for free. However, you can do it for basically free. So what we have agreed on and cleared through the lawyers is that we will give away 3 coupon codes that give you platinum level membership, which is normally $200 a month, which is cheap by itself, but normally it's $200 a month. We're going to give you the first month for $25 total, $24.99 flat fee the first month. And then every subsequent month, we're going to give you 10% off. So it'll be $179.99 for every subsequent month after that. We got 3 of them.
Wow. Like that.
Okay. All right, chat. I see a bunch of people in the chat that they're saying, me. Bring it, says Jesse. Okay.
Yeah, I know Jesse wants it. Bad.
So
can I answer that? Am I allowed to answer that?
Yeah, absolutely.
So how could we? How do you want to go about doing this, Steven? How do you want to select the winner? Bro, it's up to you.
Hey, you do the raffle. You tell me who the person is, and then whoever the winner is, just join the Block Society Facebook group. Shoot me a private message. I'll send you the coupon code. We can get you signed up.
Okay. All right. Cool. Okay, good deal. All right, so let's go ahead and do this. I am going to create a new giveaway. And
I mean, we could just do it by whoever tells me that I'm the sexiest man on earth, they'll automatically get it for free.
Hey. Okay, let me go ahead and set this up real quick. Man, this stuff
Hey, don't
flying all
forget,
over.
I got a ton of TA to put out tonight too.
Let's roll.
Oh, plenty of charts people want to look at. I'm sure.
Oh man, yeah.
I got something I want to look at.
Yeah, we got plenty. I got all night.
Hey.
I don't have to wake up until the sun comes up, so we're good.
Oh yeah, we good then.
My wife doesn't tell me that. You're out of your mind.
Yeah.
He's like, yeah.
Oh God.
Pisces says I'm the sexiest woman on earth.
Okay. So I'm setting up the keyword right now. All right, guys, we're gonna pick 3 winners, right? You said 3?
3. You got it.
Steven?
3.
Okay, so 3 winners. All right. Remember, you have to be subscribed to the channel. You have to like this video. You have to thumbs up the video. And you have to comment the keyword in the chat when I give you the keyword, okay? And this is open to everybody, mods, everybody, supporters,
Everybody.
Yeah, everybody. But all you have to do is be sub to the channel and like the stream. That's it. All right. So the keyword is Block Society. Everybody spam Block Society in the chat. And let's go ahead and put it.
One word or separate?
One word. Let's go ahead and put a timer up. If we can get a timer going, a 2-minute timer. One word, guys. One word.
All right.
Hey, welcome to the Facebook group there, Carlos. Appreciate you joining us.
No. Hey, anytime, buddy.
Hey, if you want, Lyndon, Ross, whatever. I mean, if you want me to, I can give you a walkthrough of the Block Society website and show you what kind of great stuff we got. That's up to you, though.
All right, yeah, it's definitely possible. Okay, I see a bunch of people entering in, guys. Keep entering. So, I guess Pisces traits is a woman, Steph. Yeah. Why is that? Is that surprising or something? Why is that surprising? Steph said that like that was like a shock. Like so Pisces is a woman. Oh my God, there's a woman in here.
Don't get me in trouble, man. My wife, she's pregnant. She will come down here and kill me.
Come on, Ross.
We don't want nobody dying on the live stream.
Wait, what happened?
Come on, freaking 373 freaking gives it away, man.
Oh man.
Why? What's that?
Okay, never mind.
What's 373? Hey, you can't. Yo, where I'm from, you can't do that, bro. I'm not a know-it-all, bro. If I don't know something, I ask. You know, if you.
It's a Supreme Court rule. Just saying.
Rules. All right, so tell me what's the rule.
We're on the same page, Carlos. We got it.
Oh, y'all got secret code and shit.
What is it?
Maybe I should put my NSA shirt on, right?
Go ahead, man. NSA, weak sauce.
All right, now you gonna make me look this up.
Rob's gonna be like, oh, okay.
Hey, speaking of security, right? We still got to talk about this here, Lyndon.
Oh yeah, man. I want to talk about that. You shared that with me earlier. I was like, yo, that's what I need in my life.
That looks familiar, buddy.
Does it?
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, that's necessary. That price point hurts my soul, but the device is necessary.
No, it's not that bad.
It's bad for what it protects. That's for damn sure.
No, it's not. Man, if you got millions in crypto, it's worth every freaking penny.
All right.
Yeah. Oh,
Who else is getting in on this, guys? I'm going to give it 20 more seconds, and we're going to just call it out, all right? Remember, just comment Block Society in the chat. That's all you have to do. All right? But you have to be subscribed. So if you're not subscribed, then your name won't pop up here. All right?
Oh, Colin, man, you got me. Ouch.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. All right. Here we go. The first winner is Steph and Tony. Congratulations, Steph and Tony.
Man.
Steph and Tony right here. Look, there it is. Steph and Tony.
Nailed it.
All right. Congratulations. Finally won something in your life, Steph. How's it feel? How's it feel? Hey. All right. Number 2.
Hey, that's our Aussies friends, right?
The best Aussie friends you could have.
Australia is okay, because I understand that the SEC has restrictions on who can be subscribed to financial advising services that are regulated, but Australia is okay, so you're good to go.
Look at the second winner.
Uh-oh.
Who is that?
Jesse, no way.
Jesse Durney. Yeah, Jesse Durney, you're the second winner, and the third winner is.
Uh-oh.
Wow, it's actually you, Carlito. Look.
Oh, snap.
Carlito. There you go. All right.
Wait, hold up. What did I win?
You got a membership to Block Society at the low rate of $24.99 for the first month, and then 10% off every subsequent month after that.
Oh shit, dude, and that's amazing because
right?
I don't know shit about tech.
Hey, if you wanna learn technical analysis, right? That's definitely the place to sign up.
I know a lot about the other tech, not this.
Right. Well, I'll be able to relate it to you in certain terms that will allow you to understand this information a little bit better.
All right, dude.
We can do our ATA on JWIX if you want.
Oh my God! Don't say that over here, man. Come on. Don't say it over this thing.
That's unclassed. You're fine. All right. So for the 3 winners, all you got to do is join the Facebook group. Just search Block Society on Facebook, add yourself to the group. I'll go ahead and approve you, and then shoot me a private message, and I will send you the code to sign up and get the first month of platinum membership for $25.
Wow.
How about a?
I ain't gonna lie. I'm a little. It was so. I really wanted to enter that contest so bad. It was so hard for me. I didn't want to do that, man. I wanted to give it to the people that come onto this live stream, man, and support the show. But if I'm being honest, it was hard not to type Block Society into the chat.
You see, and you know what I think is super cool, man? Because a guy like me, right? So Steven, real estate's my main business, right? Like I'm like all in the real estate world and also internet marketing. But, honestly, I just don't have the time to learn TA, dude. Nor do I even want to, because the shit just gives me a headache. Honestly, I just want somebody like you to say, buy this, don't buy that, enter here,
all right. Hey,
exit there.
So check this out, right? I'm gonna pull up an example real quick. I'll just use this one for example, right? Let me share my screen, and we got okay. So you can see my screen over here. This is an example of a trade signal that we put out. What's interesting about this one's already done, so I'm not giving away anything free here.
Your screen is like
tweaking. Whoa, that is
blinking.
Trippy. Okay, hold on. Let me try it again.
All right. Yo, technology. Yo, to anybody who doesn't know, just so you, I'm gonna throw this out there. Saturn's in retrograde and technology is tripping. So work with us.
Okay. So here we go. So here's an example of one of our trade signals. This was Engine Bitcoin. We put it out December 21st. What we do is we give you an entry point. This actually should have said under. I don't know why it didn't carry over. But it gives you an entry point. It gives you a stop loss, and it gives you a series of targets and some instructions. Okay. I give you a chart that shows you exactly what I'm seeing and explains what we're talking about. And of course that disappeared. What is going on with my website? So let me just go back. You guys are about to see some stuff that I don't want you to see. All right, so I got a target out right now on ZenCoin, right? What is that? Horizon.
Wait. This is a live.
This is a no kidding signal. This is a no kidding signal that I have out to my paying subscribers, my paying members. Okay. So here's an interesting aspect of it. You know, we give you the entry point, we give you the stop loss, we give you the targets, we tell you how much risk it has, any caveats if there's a caveat, right? A 2% rule calculator. So let's say if you're working with, let's say you got a $10,000 war chest that you're playing with, right? And you know, you want to be able to put in an amount such that if this project were to stop out, you would only be risking 2% of your portfolio in its entirety, right? So let's say the 2% rule.
I have seen this formula before.
Right? So let's say you have a $10,000 war chest, you put in $10,000 and hit calculate, you can invest $11.59.18 into this project, assuming you got under the, you know, 142,000 sats, right? It'll show you a chart of what I'm seeing. It'll show you, hey, this is what I think about it, and then this is a live interactive chart of what's happened since. So as you can see right here, we've already nailed 2 of our targets, and we're coming back to get that 3rd, right? For the platinum members out there, if you got a platinum subscription, you can come back over here and you can click on a daily update, and it will give you everything about your rate of return, targets hit. It'll talk about, you know, what we're seeing, a current technical analysis chart. All right, now I'm going to get off of it because I don't want my platinum guys are going to be pissed that you guys saw that.
Hey, man, that's pretty cool stuff. Definitely, man. I definitely see the value in that, man. Chat, what do you think? You guys see value in that? Yay or nay in the chat? DJ Torque says Zen. Yeah, Colin says that was a fun trade. Awesome. I'm assuming, Colin, you're a subscriber to Block Society?
Colin doesn't need to be a subscriber, man. That guy is sharp. He knows what he's doing.
Awesome. Jesse says most definitely.
My goal here is to not have you be a subscriber forever. I don't want people to just blindly give me their money and trust my trades. I want them to be able to provide for themselves. I want them to be able to understand how these charts work, how the crypto ecosystem works, and teach them fundamental analysis, right? So let's go back to our Academy of Technical Analysis that we hold every Tuesday and Thursday night. We have a couple of different classes. We teach different levels. We teach different information in these different levels, right? Every single session is recorded. So right now we're in our 2nd class in 1902. I mean, you got 15 classes in here. Each one of these are an hour long. We talk about all sorts of really Gucci stuff. We pull up our charts. We talk about it. Oh man, I'm hideous. I'm gonna put that off. We've got supplemental sides. There's a test for every single level. So we have levels 1 through 10. But basically what this course does is it allows you to understand not only the fundamentals of technical analysis, but how to modify traditional TA for use in the crypto market, right? The biggest difference here is you might find somebody who has practiced technical analysis in the equities markets or in the commodities markets for years and years and years, for decades. But the same indicators that apply to equities or commodities don't apply the same way in the crypto market. They just don't. They're 2 different markets. Crypto is 24/7, equities closes. So you have to apply these indicators so differently in order to make them applicable to the crypto market. So I teach you how to do that and let you take charge of your own financial freedom and financial future so that you don't have to pay me for the rest of your life to get these signals.
I dig it. Definitely see the value, man. I appreciate you for sharing, guys. You know what to do. If you want to go ahead and get started, I see it, blocksociety.net. And I'm sure you could reach out to Steven and his business partner, Jeremy, in their Facebook group. Really cool guys joining us here. And So, Steven, you talked about, you said that you had some TA for the Crypto Legends group.
Oh man, you want to holler? You want to talk about some TA? All right.
Hey, what are we doing? Some random TA here? You already got some stuff in mind, or what? How we doing it?
All right, so we talked about Bitcoin already. I think the first one from the last video, the one that got canceled, was Litecoin. Let's pull up some Litecoin.
Okay, and is it cool? Could we ask the chat too if they have any suggestions?
Yeah, absolutely.
Awesome. All right, so chat, if you want some professional TA done right now live by Steven, comment your symbols in the chat right now. I'm telling you,
oh man,
this is so valuable.
EOS, what is that shit coin? Garbage. Nope, it's a shit coin. I'm sorry, I can't get away from it. EOS, really? Man. Okay. First of all, my TA, I vary, right? There's so many different types of technical analysis out there. There's different methodologies. You have your basic understandings of supports and resistance. You have long-term trading. You have short-term trading, day trading, swing trading, scalping, target trading. You have all this different methodology. So understand that there is no one right way or wrong way to conduct technical analysis. For example, I see you guys promoting Brian Swan, right? Fibbo Swanee on Twitter and YouTube. He's a CFTE, certified financial technician, part of Paul McNeil's crypto curator group, part of his attaché, what do you want to call it, his entourage. He's a sharp guy. I've seen a couple of his videos, but he's a very long-term trader. He likes to use 55-week moving averages on his long-term. He's looking long outlook. And there's nothing wrong with that. It's great. The dude's awesome. He's sharp. He's not seeing the intricate, smaller time frame details, and that's okay. I don't either. I don't zoom into the 1 hour. I don't zoom into the 15-minute. If you're doing that, you're gonna get wrecked. Stop doing that. Do not zoom in past that.
Why is that?
This market is way too volatile. And it's way too manipulated for you to be able to capitalize off of internal support and resistance entrances and exits. Dear God, I can't talk tonight. That's crazy.
Too much whiskey, man.
Yeah, pretty much. So the way that we trade is we're target traders. I'm not going to say that I'm the best target trader out there because I'm not even close to being the best out there. Huge shout out to Colin. Colin knows what he's doing. He's trained by one of the best in the industry. I don't know. He's a competitor. You know what? Screw it. Scott Shank. That dude is sharp. TradeCryptoLive.net. He knows what he's doing. Without fail. I'm just going to put it out there. The guy's smart. He's actually taught me quite a bit. I use a lot of his techniques as well, but it is what it is, right? So that said, let's look at Litecoin. Litecoin has put in what I like to call an exhaustion move. We hit up that 423. It's coming down. You see what we got set up. It looks like we're going to put in this head and shoulders and come back down. Now, I'm not going to call it an exhaustion move. We hit up. Hey, hearing myself talk. Awesome.
Sorry about that.
No. So I'm not going to give away all my dirty little secrets here, but I've got about $36 on my radar. I definitely have the $65 level, $65.33 as my first stop. Okay. So whoever asked about Litecoin first, this is going to come back down. We're going to pop up. We're going to do that, put in that last little exhaustion, and we're at least going to see what happens here. If we can get some consolidation here in this spine support, we might get that bounce up and get the break hook and go and shoot positive. If that doesn't happen, we'll get the break hook and go to the south side and come reach out to this $36 level. We might even reach this square up candle right here. And if that happens, dear God, Bitcoin is going to tank if that happens.
Okay, so overall, so bearish on Litecoin right now.
I wouldn't touch it. Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't buy that with your money.
Gotcha. Okay. Yeah, it's interesting. So why? Like, so you have the Head and Shoulders, right?
Mm-hmm.
Why? Like, what would tell somebody like that's new to TA that it would go bearish? Like, what do you see? Like, put it in layman's terms for somebody that's brand new, if you could.
Okay. All right. As basic as humanly possible, you can find what's called a Head and Shoulders pattern in every single market: equities, commodities, forex. It doesn't matter, right? And a Head and Shoulders pattern is a Head and Shoulders pattern is a Head and Shoulders pattern. It's all the same. And what it means is it's going to come up. It's going to make a high. It's going to make a low. Mm-hmm. It's going to make a higher high. It's going to come back to that low. It's going to make an interim high, and then it's going to make a lower low. So what we have here is a trend line that we expect to see be respected. And simple technical analysis tells you that once we reach the top, if that is in fact the top, that it will bounce off the top, come back and test that resistance or that support line, hit the resistance, which will be the right shoulder, and then come back out and drop. Now, fundamental, or I shouldn't say fundamental because that'll confuse the crap out of you. Very rudimentary technical analysis tells you that the height between the head and the neckline, so in this case, that right there, is the distance at which it will drop once it breaks out from the neckline. Okay, so depending on where it breaks out could determine how far we drop. Now, I've got that square up, so we might actually drop faster than not. Right? This might actually be closer.
Hey, Steven.
Yes.
I hate to be the devil's advocate in this, but you know, when you're talking about technical analysis, you know, I get what you're saying. You know, you follow the trend, but where in here do you take in consideration the social piece of this? You know, when it comes to consumer, how do they feel about putting their money into something because how the company is doing and what the company, what's the value of this company is bringing to bear?
Okay.
You know, if the company is getting beat up, you know, and they got a scandal or something going on.
I understand your question.
It doesn't mean jack, you know, right?
I understand your question, and I'm gonna rebut with a thing called the efficient market theory. Are you familiar with that term?
No, that's why I'm asking.
Okay, so the efficient market theory tells you that there's three levels in the efficient market theory. The first level is less efficient. The middle level is semi-efficient, and the third level is efficient or total efficient, depending on what book you're reading. Okay, in the bottom level, basically what it's saying is that all knowledge or all historical events regarding this coin that was public knowledge, or this project that was public knowledge, is known by every single trader in the market. Okay. The semi-efficient market says that not only is all past information known by every single trader in the market, but all present information, both public and private, is known. Whereas in a perfectly efficient market, or a near efficient market, whatever you want to call it, not only is past information and present information known, but also proprietary information, like insider information. So essentially, at the bottom level, fundamentals goes away. At the middle level, technical analysis and fundamental analysis is irrelevant because everything is already incorporated into those candles. And at the third level, you're screwed because everybody has all the same information and it's an efficient market. So there's demand, right? There's no change.
So there's a balance between.
Well, not if everybody has the same information. Everybody
No,
will
that's
be
what-
on
no,
the
that's what I
same
meant.
price.
That's what I meant. As long as everybody got the same information. there's-
Right, and that's the whole point of the efficient market theory. So what we're basing this information on as a technical analyst is we're saying that all past information is included in these candles.
Got it.
Yeah.
And I am not using what's coming up next because yes, fundamental analysis absolutely comes into play. I will not deny it.
So
Right? If someone came in and said Satoshi Nakamoto was found and he said, screw Bitcoin, I don't care about it anymore. It was a bullshit project and cryptocurrency is dead and all that FUD came out. Yes, it's going to tank. Come on, that's common sense.
Yeah.
But there's still information that will counteract that.
So real quick, gentlemen. So we have a few people that are engaging in the chat. John just came over from Facebook, and he says you can't use old school TA in the crypto market. Trust in the project. And judging off of his Facebook comments, he doesn't think that we'll see a $35 Litecoin. So John, if you could drop some comments, because I know Steven's reading the chat as well. And maybe we can discuss this. Just to, I don't know, get a little, healthy debate going. Of course, John, please be respectful. Hey, chat, are you liking this content?
Yeah. So,
yeah,
John, you're right. You can't use old school TA in the crypto market. I agree with you, and I'm pretty sure we talked about that already and said that technical analysis in crypto is not the same as technical analysis in equity, securities, commodities, forex, etc. We established that already, right? Just like you see, clearly you have some insight into technical analysis. Otherwise, you wouldn't be making those comments. But you look at my Fibonacci, levels. You see, I have an 83.3% retrace in here. When have you ever seen that before?
That's true.
Well, right? I mean,
yeah.
typically, if we were running in a commodities market, you would see a 2.72, right? Or maybe a 4.618 instead of a 423 or a 4.236, right? There's so many differences and nuances between the crypto market and everything else. Colin says, "Hey, we don't use old school TA." He's right, we don't. But understand that these patterns are not by my $100 buy orders or my $100 sell orders. You think this market gives two craps about what kind of money I put into it? No.
So DJ Torque asks a question. He says, "Why do TA on any coin with a USD pair? The BTC price would affect your TA too much."
Hold on a minute. Let me go back and
if you scroll up a little bit, it's up there.
All right. Why does technical analysis on any coin with a USD pair, the Bitcoin price would affect your TA too much? I don't understand your question.
Torque, if you could just rephrase that question. Yo, wait. I just heard a sound go off in the chat.
5 buckaroos?
Wait, did you hear that?
Was that a ding?
Wait. Wait, I don't see anything.
I saw 5 buckaroos.
Did you really?
Yep.
Did they refund it?
No way.
Super move though, but
No way. Wait.
you can rewind.
I'm rewinding the VOD real quick. Hang on. You can go ahead and continue, gentlemen.
Yeah.
Well, if you didn't see it, that's, let me rewind this.
Yeah, I swear I thought I heard a ding. Very faintly, because my headphones is sitting over
I
here.
saw it. Color.
Oh, nice. It was.
Yo! Sal, thank you so much for the $5 dono, man. Dude, you're a legend, Sal. You're an actual legend, dude. Like, you are an actual legend, man. Can I get a thanks, Sal, in the chat? He's supporting the stream. Everybody who's supporting the stream, thank you so much, man. If you guys didn't hear the other day, we actually we have a new feature where you can actually, if you want to support the stream, you can support us in crypto. If you like what we do here and you want to go the extra mile, you can support us in fiat and in crypto. All you have to do that is just put ! donate in the chat and you'll get the links. Yeah. Again, it's not required at all, but it's much appreciated. So thank you so much, Sal, for showing us love like that, man. It means a lot. Anyways,
all right.
Yeah.
So, okay. So to answer your question, you say we will not see a $35 Litecoin. You might be right. You might be right. I'm not saying that's going to happen, right? We have a candle here that needs to be fixed, and that could absolutely happen. We have a candle here that needs to be fixed, and that can absolutely happen. It depends on what happens with the rest of the market. Okay. Let me give you a real quick example. I'm going to go to Ethereum. Ethereum Bitcoin.
You guys lost me.
I lost you. How did I lose you?
Yeah, what do you mean? We will not see a $35 Litecoin.
So, go ahead.
Yeah, no, he's basically saying that he doesn't think the price of Litecoin is going to go back down into the $35 area. Is what he's saying.
Oh,
yeah.
You mean growth?
Yeah, and you know what? Hold on, one second. Not to interrupt you, Steven, but I want y'all to understand something. I talk about this all the time on the live stream, right? The reason why I fuck with Steven so hard, and I could tell from the interview that he knew what he was talking about. Any technical analyst will tell you, right? There's nothing in TA you just necessarily use all the time in all markets that's the same. You have to change. Yeah. Things get tweaked, right? Based on if the market is raging, you may use this. Price action will determine what you need to look at and how you need to look at it, right? So if you pay attention and you listen to what he's saying, the reason why I fuck with it so heavy and I love this is because you'll see, right? Just because a person is saying like, okay, I believe this is the most probable thing to happen, doesn't necessarily mean like, okay, it's definitely going to happen, right? Because at the end of the day, Steven doesn't have a crystal ball, and if he did, I really hope he would tell me.
And if I had a crystal ball, I would be here right now.
That's not what I was going to. I would say, you guys talking, we've never seen Litecoin to this price. I'm thinking that price, but Litecoin
right,
is
so
89 right now. So I didn't,
Carlos,
I didn't know what you were talking.
Check this out, Carlos. Right, what they're saying is, let's look at the bigger picture, right? On the bigger picture, Litecoin has put in some pretty incredible moves over the last several years, right? Right. So what the bulls are saying is that we have actually bottomed, and this is put in a bottom, and they're putting in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're putting in a 5 wave for the wave 1, and then we're gonna have a slight correction for wave 2, and then we're gonna go up, and we're gonna see some astronomical highs. And I will tell you, under that premise, if that's true, I mean, you're looking at numbers that are shooting up to all-time high. All-time $402. Right. And there's nothing wrong with that. That's
no, it is to me that's just linguistics,
Right. But understand what I'm saying. What I'm saying is that we have the potential to go down to this $36 mark. Is I can show you time and time again where cryptocurrencies in general will do the same pattern over and over. It goes up to this mark and it retraces back to this mark. It goes up to this mark and it retraces back to this mark, right? Yeah. It's the same pattern over and over and over. And we're seeing the same thing here. It goes up and it comes back. It goes up and it comes back. And it's the same numbers every single time. Now, Carlos, you and I both know from working where we work that trends run the world, man. Humans are very much creatures of habit.
Yep.
Right? You take the same roads to work every single day. You shop at the same grocery store. You go to the same gas station. Humans are creatures of habit. You do the same shit. So once you find what that trend is or what those habits are, you can capitalize on that information and make a logical, probability-based prediction on what is likely to happen next based off of historical patterns. It's what we do. That's all technical analysis is. These charts are nothing more than a graphical representation of human emotion in the financial market.
No, you got it right in. The only thing that I wasn't grasping is this 30 mark that you guys were talking about. I didn't know if it was the price of the coin or the price of the growth.
Yeah. So he's saying he's saying it's the price of the coin. It'll never come back down here because he's saying that we're already in a bull trend.
Right. All right.
So
I got you. I got you.
You might be right. Whoever that was, John Red. You're probably right. It probably won't come back here. This moving average is pretty succinct. I'll say it right up that this is something that I learned from Scott Schenk of TradeCryptoLive.net. He has his own little special red moving average. This is not the same. I like the way he did his. I found something that worked for me. Not everything works the same for every person. I found a pivot point based moving average, a time compressed pivot point based moving average that I liked, that I know how to use, that I can interpret differently. And I'll tell you, as we go through some of these charts tonight, I'll explain how this moving average works. It's not the same as Scott has, but he did give me the insight on how to do that. And I will not take that away from him. Scott is amazing. His technical analysis is awesome.
Yo, real quick, guys, I got to give a massive shout out to John Red for coming through with the dono. He actually just donated Litecoin to the stream. So,
that's
John Red, dude, thank you so much. It really just means the world to us. Much, much love, man. Thank you so much, John. Damn. Can I get a thanks, John, in the chat for supporting the stream? John, thank you very much.
Facts. Liddy. Super dope, man. Yo. All right. Steven.
Yo.
I'm gonna bug you.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna bug you. I gotta know this for my own, for myself and for the people in the chat, man. I'm curious. I've been hearing a lot. About Ether, bro. A lot.
Ethereum.
Man.
Okay. So, man, my platinum members are gonna punch me in the face.
Hey, man, you rocking with the legends, bro. Yo, you know what we call this, bro? You in the legends box right now, man.
Hey, Steven.
And you know what, bro? I gotta give you major props, man, because you don't have to do this. I know it's late, and it's just much love all around, man. Like seriously, it means so much, and I really appreciate you.
I'm gonna support you guys because you're doing a really good job, and I appreciate what you're putting out there. And you got enough of a following that you can have an influence as well. And we got to make sure that we're protecting these people. There's so many scams out there. There's so many dirty people and people that just want to take other people's money. It's really just it gets me fired up. It gets me really heated. So I'm very thankful that Rosslyn. I'm very thankful that you're out here putting out the good word and making sure that people aren't out getting wrecked. And we're going to talk about this RSA Secure ID here in a little bit.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah. We're going to talk about that here in a minute. But here we are talking about Ethereum first.
That's a serious crypto, buddy.
Hey, there's nothing wrong with SHA 256 technology. Come on, that's simple Bitcoin, right?
Oh, yeah. Simple Bitcoin.
You know what it would take to break that shit,
man? Wait. Did you hear that? Did you just hear that?
Oh shit, we going off again?
Wait, guys, I'm sorry. I just heard something. Wait, what just happened?
Jesse Dirty, man.
Wait.
Oh man.
Wait. Yo, Jesse with the dono, dude. He says, thanks for supporting Block Society. Man, Jesse, thank you so much for supporting the stream. It means the world. Thank you, John, Collard Greens, Jesse, everybody. Everybody. You're insane. Yeah. And you know what, Jesse? It's all love. You know, here's the thing, right? Because I'm not on the same level as these gentlemen when it comes to crypto. But I trust Lyndon because that man eats, sleeps, shits, breathes everything crypto. I think he eats fucking crypto for breakfast.
I do.
And if Lyndon co-signs something, then I know that, you know, Lyndon wouldn't co-sign. Yo, Yusuf with the dono, bro. No way, dude. Yo, Yusuf with the $15 dono, dude. He says, yo, appreciate the value that you guys provide. Respect. Yo, Yusuf, you're a freaking legend. Yo, can everybody just spam legend in the chat, man? You guys are freaking nutty, dude. Thank you so much, man. Holy crap. Yo, this community is insane.
Beautiful, bro.
Holy crap, dude. Everyone's like, yo, legend. But like I was saying, man, like I respect Lyndon's, you know, expertise in the space, right? And I know that Lyndon would be the first one to publicly call out and shame somebody who was promoting crypto in a bad way. So you already know that this gentleman Steven that's joining us tonight is the real deal. That's all I'm telling
you. I don't put up with scammers. I don't put up with that crap. If that stuff comes over to me, I will oust you with a fiery passion.
Yo, wait.
Understand what I do for a living. I will destroy you.
Yo. That's what it's. That's why I fuck with you, Steven, man.
No way, dude. Colin with the dono, bro. No way, dude. Colin with the $25 dono, yo. What a freaking legend.
Yo, Colin needs to be like a what do you call it? Like a privileged donor or a gold donor or something. That's
facts.
2 nights in a row.
Yo, Colin. Okay, yo, Colin.
2 in a row. 2 in a row.
Yo, what is going on, chat? Yo, you guys are insane, dude. Thank you so much to all the 22 people in the stream. Thank you to Colin. Yo, everybody, I want everybody to just spam legends in the chat because that's what this is, man. This is Crypto Legends. Yo,
legendary.
Real quick. So we have one of our viewers, DJ Torque. This guy is sharp as a freaking tack, man. He's cool people. He actually wants to come in and hang out with us on the broadcast for a few minutes. Yo. And he wants to get in on this conversation. I think he's itching.
Hey, let's roll.
Yo, chat, what do you think? DJ Torque?
I got a ton of charts I still got to publish, man. But
okay, all right, yeah, let's, I mean, hey, we kind of just go, off the cuff here. Should we add, guys, chat, should we add DJ Torque to this conversation? Also known as Mr. Diet Coke, if I remember correctly.
Hey.
Colin says, torque it up. Yo, Colin, man, legend, dude. Legend. All of you, legends.
Man. Yo,
Steph says, think you need to change your underwear, Ross. Steph, it might be like that. It might hey, real quick, don't take the Google chat off because it's showing up on the screen.
Oh, true.
Yeah. All right. Dude, DJ says your donor reactions are epic, bro. Love it. Dude, because it's like, it's so insane that, like, people actually want to support us, right? Like, it's just nuts to me, dude. Like, it means the world. We put a lot of time into this, man, and it just means the world that people actually, want to support and hang out, right? I mean, like, we have 22 people right now hanging out with us on YouTube at almost, 3 o'clock a.m. here Eastern time? We got people tuning in from Australia right now. Like, this is a worldwide community, and it's amazing. So, DJ Torque, man, while we wait for you to come on, Steven, I'm gonna recast your screen now. You have the floor. So just.
Oh man, what are we talking? Oh, that's right, E.
Oh yeah, let's do the E.
Sorry, I got sidetracked over here because I'm telling you, man, if my my platinum members, if my clients come out here and figure out that I am not spending time reading charts, they're gonna punch me in the face. All right. So you remember we went back to Litecoin, and there's a reason I'm bringing this back up. So Litecoin showed us. We said, hey, we might come down and square this up. This may have been that square up right there. It may have been. It may not have to come back down here.
Okay.
If you don't know what square ups are, you need training. Period. And I'll tell you, I don't even care if you get training with me or somebody else. I don't care. Get training. YouTube it. Matter of fact, YouTube Proact Traders Square Up Method. Figure it out. Okay. Understand what a square up is. It'll help you out drastically. So you can see my target here. This is where I thought we were going to go. 65 and change. We're going to come back down and square that up. So if this is squared up and they somehow let this go, this is your break off of my red moving average. And that's impressive. That's a very, very, very bullish indicator. Okay. We also went up to the 423. That's my top target on my fib, my fib extension.
Yeah, fib. Right. Okay?
So as we know from all other fibs, if we take a retrace, we know that after a 423 hit, we're either going to come down to the 78.6% retrace, or we're going to come down to the 83.3% retrace, which is at that 36.75. Now, it's just coincidence that at this 83.3 or the 833 here also happens to be that square up move.
Okay.
So common sense tells you that the more indicators that support your theory gives you higher confidence. Now, if you want me to come through and tell you all my secrets, fat freaking chance, it's not going to happen. But I'm telling you, this stuff happens more often than not. Colin says, looks squared to me. That looks like the 833. I agree. I completely agree, Colin. I agree with you. I think this has money to clean up. Are they going to come back and clean it up? Or let's say, is this candle cleaning up this candle? Or is this candle cleaning up those candles? Oh, right. So now we have to get in. Right. Now we have to get in a little bit deeper. Is this, in fact, an inverse head and shoulders as a reversal pattern? I don't think so. And there is a lot of reasons why. So if we go back to our Bitcoin Coinbase chart, let's look at the big picture.
All right.
Shit.
Those fibs.
This is a clutter. This is a mess. It's for purpose, okay?
Damn.
So we have multiple indicators, multiple fib targets, multiple 423s down here at the 2850, 2796, 2742. I had 2838. I've had so many different targets down here at the bottom. Back in May of last year, and you can go into my Facebook group here. You can go back into that Facebook group and look back at the history. Back in June or May of last year, I said Bitcoin's going to $30.82, $3,082. Where did we go? We went to like 3,100 and change, right? I think it was like $26 off my market. Okay, that was based off a head and shoulders pattern and some fibs. Then I realized, man, I was wrong. I really was. I was wrong. I got close, but I started to see as more of these candles came into play, it gave me more insight as to what was going to happen down at the bottom. This 2800 level, 2850 level is huge. There's way too many indicators down here to suggest anything other than we haven't bottomed yet. Now, This rise up here definitely gives me cause for concern and say, well, maybe that was the bottom.
Yeah.
This is messy.
It's messy. It's messy as shit.
Now, if you've been in the market a while, whether, equities, commodities, Forex, whatever, this is not a bottoming pattern.
Yeah.
What is this trash? This is garbage. This is damn alt season is what this is. Sideways action means it's alt season. Yes, we got the break over of the red moving average. We got the break, hook, and we got the go. Is that bullish? Yes, absolutely. Now you can look up. I got a 423 at 7,200.
Yeah.
Target. That was where I parked. Right. We got out. I put out my signal. We had a signal out for 6,800 on Bitcoin.
Mm-hmm.
And we pulled out. I pulled out early at 6,200. Why? Because I would much rather secure my profits than risk not getting them.
Yeah, that makes sense.
So I personally pulled out at 6,200. We had a target at 68.
John is here.
Okay. I'm not cleaning my chart. Leave me alone.
Yo.
Okay. So
the Coca-Cola guy is here.
Yeah. I see him. Just one sec, John. Steven, finish your thoughts, please, brother.
So I thought we were going to come up to 7,300 and then drop back down, and that didn't happen. It pushed higher. But you know why? Because the tether mess. Everybody got out of tether and went into Bitcoin. Bitfinex mess. Everybody got out of that and into Bitcoin. So what does that happen? FOMO comes into play, and everybody starts saying, "Oh my God, I'm going to miss it out," and everybody starts pumping in. Now look at this. 8,300 is another square up move.
True.
What's next? I got targets up here at 10,394. Do I think it's going to hit it? No, I don't.
Wow.
Is it possible? Yes, absolutely. It is very possible. We could get a small retrace and it could shoot back up and shoot up to that 10,400 mark. Do I think it's going to happen? Nope, I sure don't. I think that this X marks the spot at my 833 at 4,200 or 4,210, I think that's where we're going. Coincidentally, it's also a square up move. If you look back here, we talked about it earlier. Let me zoom in on a 4-hour chart. We talked about it earlier, and we got our head and shoulders move, which was exactly what we had predicted at the top anyway.
True.
Right. I'm not saying I'm right, but this is my best. This is my best guess.
So if I'm hearing you right, this is more just the technical analysis is an art because you're actually feeling what people are feeling.
Correct.
And how are they going to respond to the market?
There's a science aspect to it, but yes, it is very much an art.
Facts. Yeah.
Yo, real quick, guys. Yo, I want to acknowledge DJ Torque for hopping on to the broadcast, man. What's happening, bro?
Hey, how's it going, everyone?
Good.
Hey, man. Good to have you here, John.
Yeah. And thanks, Steven, for blessing us with the TA.
Yeah, absolutely, man. I'm. You know what? You got a couple of cocktails in me for the night, and I'm willing to be.
Yes. Thank the Macallan.
And I do like Macallan 18. If you're baller like that, I'll take Macallan 25, right?
Hey, I'd be careful with this chat, man. You just might get a couple bottles.
So I did ask a question earlier, and I don't think it was I did it too clearly, and that's why I wanted to hop on and see if I could ask you.
Okay.
Get your thought. So, a little bit of background on myself. I started, I guess, in the whole crypto scene. 2016, I was mining, and then I took a lot of the coins that I earned through mining and did some trading with that, and I saw some pretty good gains with that. During that, I did, kind of a little bit of self-taught TA, but I think. And it's nowhere on your level, but I noticed that some of the things that didn't really quite make sense is when people people or it's easy to look at the dollar value of a certain crypto, but I think the flip side of that is the dollar value is based on what's Bitcoin to US, what the Bitcoin value is, because when you trade on a lot of these markets, you're trading that crypto against Bitcoin, not against dollars,
Yeah. So let me ask you this: what do you give a shit about, fiat or Bitcoin?
Sorry, I couldn't hear you.
What do you care about? Do you care about growing your US dollar value, or do you care about growing your Bitcoin value?
I mean, it depends.
It's a loaded question.
Yeah.
And I said it that way intentionally, right? Because of course you want fiat value to grow. You want to become the millionaire. You want to become self-sufficient. You want to grow. And the way you're going to do that is by increasing your Bitcoin value with the understanding that Bitcoin will skyrocket. It will moon. 20,000 will be a blip on the radar in the grand scheme of things. I agree. However, if you're looking at the market in terms of US dollar value, you're going to get wrecked.
Yeah.
Stop.
Yeah.
I don't give a shit what my US dollar value is of my portfolio. I will tell you right now, I am 90% in fiat, and I have been for a very long time. I'm not getting into this market yet. I have 10% in the market that I play swing trades here and there, that I play with my targets, and I put in, full disclosure. I have to disclose what trades I'm in to my clients per SEC regulation, per guidelines. I have to disclose what I'm in, and I have to put out the trade signals that I'm going to give to my clients. I have to push out to my clients before I get in myself. Okay. So I'm telling you that because I don't feel like we are in a position just yet to go all in. I hope we come there soon, but we're not there yet. And people that look at their portfolio values and be like, oh man, I lost $100 today. What? Dude, you lost $100, but I gained, 0.3 Bitcoin. Well, that 0.3 Bitcoin next year is going to be worth tens of thousands of dollars, potentially.
Yeah, I mean, I see what you're saying, but when I looked in the past, and that's when I want to see like what you kind of thought of this, like the same analysis you performed like with Litecoin, does that still hold true if you use it against a BTC pair? Because what I've seen in the past is if Bitcoin price, jumps up a day, a lot of times if you look at the, let's say, Litecoin to BTC value, Litecoin to BTC Litecoin will fall, but the dollar amount for that will drop slightly.
I'm not following your train of thought.
I get what he's saying. So, and I get what he's saying just because I kind of understand where he's coming from. So he's basically saying, for example, with Litecoin, right? If you're looking at two different charts, right? Okay. So you're looking at a Coinbase chart and you're looking at Litecoin to USD, right? And then you're looking at another Coinbase chart that's Litecoin to BTC. It's not uncommon for you to look at those charts, and then the candles and things, everything will be different about the chart, right? And you kind of have to do your own technical analysis based on whether you're trading the USD, the Litecoin to USD, or the Litecoin to BTC. So
what you're saying is like this, right? We have our Litecoin US dollar is completely different than our Litecoin Bitcoin.
There it is. Yep.
I concur.
Yep.
So what's your question?
So I think in my opinion, and it's not for all trading pairs, and Litecoin's a little unique, and same thing with like Ethereum, because Coinbase allows you to trade that to USD. But a lot of times, back to my point first. So I think like any coin to the BTC pair would, I feel like that's more of a stronger chart to use for TA. And I want to, see what you thought about that. And then also, like, if you have say, okay, well, this pattern's happening, your prediction for either if that coin will fall or rise, does that still hold true looking at that same coin against Bitcoin, a Bitcoin pair?
And
if it does hold true for both of them, that even is a stronger, argument in that case,
And all right, so Steven, I'm gonna say something,
yeah.
and then let me know what you think about this. Right. So, in my personal opinion, when I think about this, when I'm looking at shorts, Litecoin, USD versus Litecoin BTC, right? I really feel like if you're looking at the same coin, if you're looking at Litecoin and it's paired against, say, Bitcoin, and you have another one paired against USD, you have another one paired against Ether, right? They're all going to be different. So you have to treat each chart as its own, and you're going to do your TA according to that specific chart, right? It's not necessarily going to carry over. Now,
correct.
Understanding what you're talking about, John, I can definitely get you basically, and correct me if I'm wrong, John, what you're saying is that generally speaking, in the cases where Bitcoin is going crazy, you usually see coins that are paired with Bitcoin get dumped a lot more aggressively than coins that are paired to fiat, right?
Not necessarily. I mean, you're going to have to look at the coin. Let's use Litecoin. Look at the volume again for that coin throughout different markets. So, and Litecoin may not have a whole lot of volume on Coinbase versus say Binance or one of the other markets. That would be, I would want to look at something with a lot of heavier volume, because that's going to show you, dictate, kind of lead the pack, so to speak, or but a coin that's not traded on Coinbase, I've seen in the past where people would let's just throw Cardano, against the US dollar. That value there is based on the price of BTC. So that equation, or the value of Cardano, is dependent on what its BTC value is, and then you take that BTC value, and then whatever that BTC to dollar value is, that's where how much Cardano is in USD.
Okay.
And let me know if I'm not making sense, or I'm trying my best.
I'm just trying to figure out where the gap is in what you're saying versus. I'm basically trying to answer your question. So okay, let me ask you this: stating your opinion when looking at the different charts, what do you feel is the case?
I've seen when I did this a lot in the past. I looked at the coin's value against BTC. Okay. And I know it's a lot harder to look at it like that, because you're gonna have to do the little conversion in your head. Oh, hey, what's this dollar value? But like you said earlier, Steven, is what is it? It doesn't really matter. You kind of have to train yourself to think in BTC.
Yeah, Satoshi.
Right. Yeah. You absolutely do. Right. Gaining Satoshis is the name of the game. I see my portfolio fluctuates a large amount. We'll just leave it at that. My portfolio fluctuates a large amount about every hour. Okay. And I don't care. I really don't. Because every single time I look at it, I go from 0.7 to 0.8 to 0.9 to 0.0. Mm-hmm. And as long as my Satoshi value is growing, I don't care what my US dollar value is, because eventually when Bitcoin does go to, dare I say, $89,000.
Uh-oh.
Oh man, I just opened up a can of worms. Right? If Bitcoin goes way the crap up there, do I really give a shit about a tenth of a Bitcoin? Hell yes, I do. That's 10 grand. Are you kidding me? I'm trying to get as much freaking Satoshis as I possibly can. I don't give a shit if I lose $100 in fiat value if I'm gaining a tenth of a Bitcoin.
Facts. Yep.
I don't care.
Yeah. So yeah, that's what I tell people. As soon as you get into crypto, unless you plan on getting right back out, you might as well not give a flying fuck about USD value.
Right.
Because
Colin says, well, 2 of those 3 coins have made their move. Yeah. Litecoin was first, Bitcoin came second, and guess what comes third?
Ethereum.
Oh man, you might be smarter than you look.
I might be.
Well, might be, right?
So Yusuf says, what are the factors?
Happens, right?
Yusuf says, what are the factors that you would be able to make that determination?
What determination, Yusuf? What are you talking about?
Is it about I guess what coin comes first, second, or third? Well, I mean, other than by watching the price action.
By the way, real quick, I see John, I see Colin, I see Yusuf. Who else is here with us right now in the chat? So many people are coming in and out. I think we might be trending for like crypto live videos because we're like the only live stream right now at this hour. If you're here, can you just like say hi or interact or throw an emoji? Just so just say what's up. Just interact. Put a period, a decimal. It doesn't matter.
Don't be weird. Don't just sit.
Holy shit! You guys are blowing me up, man. I literally just grabbed my phone to look at it.
Yeah.
I got 45 notifications.
Oh, shit.
Hey. Okay. All right. Good. Thanks for doing that, guys.
Man.
All right. Yo, Video Biscuit. Eat at Aire Taco? Where's that at?
It's like where?
Good day, Steph. USD worthless soon, says John Red. 1980 says my TA muscles are swole. Yusuf says, what's up from Kuwait? Yo, Kuwait's in the building.
Man, I spent hella time in Kuwait.
Wow. Damn, yo, Yusuf, thanks for stopping by, man. Holy smokes.
Damn.
Wow. Okay, that's super awesome. And everybody, I think the point bot might be down right now for some reason. I think we might have broken it. So for everybody checking their Yoshis right now, I think we might be down. But
how many points do I got?
Dude, you probably have a lot because you've been with us now for like 3 hours already.
Right.
You got a lot. You got a lot, man. Yeah, I think the bots. Yo, Linda, actually, can you log into the back office, see if the bot crashed?
I'm already in here, bro.
Okay.
John Red says, make your goal to at least 1 Bitcoin. I absolutely agree.
Yeah, you got 170. You got 175 Yoshis, Steven.
Word.
Yeah. Good.
Let
me get some of those.
Yo, see if the bot is down or if it needs to be restarted. If you can toggle it on and off at the top, that might reset it.
It's not, I'm about to give everybody one Yoshi to see if it works.
Yeah, award everybody some. D, you absolutely get points. D's been here all night. Legend.
Let me see. No, I don't think we don't.
Absolute legend. Everybody, that's the best Ahado.
Let me see something.
So, by the way, just Steven, just a heads up, you are still screencasting. Just.
Oh, my bad.
No, you're all good. I'm just letting you know.
I'm talking to Carlos on Facebook.
Yo. So hey,
talking about trying to get together, man.
hey, all good. That's what I love about this community, man. So you meet some cool ass people, And,
I'd love to get together with Carlos, man. We'll talk crypto. We'll talk, IC stuff. We'll talk about all sorts of cool shit.
Y'all gonna talk about all sorts of cool shit that y'all are not gonna talk about on the live.
Hey, you know what? Let's talk about that real quick. come on, let's holler at this, right? So last night we talked about how your Google Authenticator or your Authy app can be hacked and be compromised.
Right.
Right? Well, we talked about that last night, or you guys did. I just sat down and watched.
Yeah.
Right? I was working. I was doing charts for my clients, man. But I was listening to you guys. You guys killed it last night. It was a good episode. So I brought up something about how the Google Authenticator app and the Authy app can be compromised. It can be hacked, and that key can be compromised as well. So an item that we talked about, and let me get rid of my screen share here for a second. An item that we talked about was the RSA Secure ID. You can Google it. It's on PCNation.com. You can buy it. They're not terribly expensive. I mean, they're a little pricey, but they're not terribly expensive. But if you look up here, you can see the item, the topic, right? You can link this to your Binance. You can link it to your KuCoin or Abra or whatever, whatever you want to call it. You can link it to it. Easy day.
Yeah. So right? a physical, basically it's a physical Google Authenticator.
Correct. And the cool thing is that, you see it refreshes every 60 seconds, just like the regular Google Authenticator or whatever. But the app itself or the key itself is stored internally on this card. So it cannot be compromised unless you physically lose it.
And where can people buy that? Because I know like half the chat's going to want to go order one right now.
Probably not.
Yo, hold on. You know what? All right. So, since we just got to that question, this broke my heart. Yo, tell them how much that amazing device is, bro.
I mean, I paid $60 for mine.
Damn. Okay, I need your plug then, please.
Right? Well,
come on. You pay $99 for a ledger to store all your crypto. Can't you pay $60 for this? Come on.
No. So I don't think you understand.
What Lyndon's talking about is if you Google right now, RSA Secure ID, the first result that pops up is $5,000.
Yeah.
But
damn.
If you click on that link and you look into it just a little bit deeper, you'll see that $5,000 cost is for 100 of these devices.
Yeah.
Oh, got him, coach.
There we go.
Yeah, you got to pay attention. Attention to detail, brother.
There you go.
Right.
I was going to say, shit, I'll just tattoo the fucking authenticator on my ass.
Right. I will write that. Hey, go old school. We'll do like what's that movie? With Russell Crowe, A Beautiful Mind, right? Where he has the damn.
You're right. Yeah,
you know what I'm talking about with the damn.
That's a sick
radioactive
movie.
decay. The radioactive decay on his arm comes out, and every time you look at it, it changes. It's no different. It's the same damn thing.
Yo, John Red says, let's have a meetup. Yo, John Red, we're actually doing a meetup next week in New York City for Crypto Bully's birthday. So if you're in New York, come out. And hey, real quick, I want to give a shout out real quick, brother. John Red also says, thank you for your service to all the veterans, man. I don't know. There's a lot of veterans in crypto, it seems. So
it is.
Yeah. And then 1980 says,
we got any Navy in here or what?
Yeah.
Hey, where the Navy at? You got any Navy?
Where the Navy at? I'm representing. I'm a senior chief in the Navy.
Yeah, United States Navy in the building. Damn, son. Damn.
Hey, who was the other Navy guy that you had to hear the other night, Lyndon?
That was Paul
McNeil.
Paul McNeil.
Yeah.
Wait,
he's
what?
An old bubblehead.
Wait,
man.
what was your rank, bro? What's your rank, bro?
I'm a senior chief. I'm an E8.
Damn, dude. You're a senior chief in the United States Navy, bro. That's bad to the bone right there, dude.
Badass.
Damn. All right. That's sick, dude. 1980 asks, if it's destroyed, can it be restored?
Yes, it can.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
RSA keys you know, they're being used for a while. You know, the key fobs, that's how we call it.
Right.
The Air Force. These things, oh my God. Now that you brought them up, because they're out for the public.
Yeah,
use,
they're OSINT, bro. You can talk about it.
From, oh my God, if I can remember, we've been using these things from all the way back to 2002, maybe 2003.
No way. I didn't get my first one until it was like 2008,
that's
2009 time frame.
And it's how we used to freaking log in VPN, and that was the.
Who is that? Video Biscuit. Go choke yourself.
Yo, did he really just say that? Yo, I just almost choked when I read this shit. I was like, wait, what?
Now, the only bad thing though about the RSA security.
What did he say?
Oh,
hold on. Were you about to say? I'm curious what John is about to say. He said something bad about the RSA.
No.
They do have an expiration date.
I just read it.
Yeah.
Wait.
It's got a 5-year expiration.
Yeah. So if you buy one, make sure you check if you that expiration date. Make sure you're buying it from someone that doesn't have 6 months left on it.
Why do they expire?
Because it's got a battery in it.
Oh,
and the battery's only good for 5 years.
So you can't change the battery or nothing like that.
So pro tip: the battery is actually good for 7 years, but they tell you to replace it every 5.
Yeah, and there's a whole technical deal that goes behind, in the background to synchronize it with your servers and everything to do the VPN that allow you to access all these keys and everything.
Right. Carlos is Carlos is about to nerd out, bro. You can't talk about technology. He's talking about technology, bro.
Wait. It is not yet. Oh, I just bought the same thing and oh well.
Tell him, Carlito. Tell him.
Right.
Let's speak out, man. Let's speak out.
Yeah.
So, wow, that's crazy. That battery can last 7 years. Rodrigo says, "Welcome to the broadcast, Rodrigo. Thanks for chiming in." He says, "Is this Doji calling a bottom?" On
what chart, Rodrigo? Is this Doji calling a job? Are you talking about Ethereum?
Yeah, I hope he's talking about Ethereum because I'm ready to talk about that.
I'll talk about Ethereum.
Smack.
Yeah.
So, all right, let me share my screen again.
Right.
Wait,
you guys are killing me over here.
Hey, but Steven, you can't say you're not having fun though, bro.
Oh man, I'm always having a good
time. Okay, that's all that matters, bro.
I geek Steven. Out on this stuff. Yo.
Oh shit! Hold up, I have to bring this back. Well, never mind. Go ahead. Go ahead.
All right. So, are you talking about this Doji right here, this neutral Doji? Or are you talking about this inverted hammer? What are you talking about?
That's a good question. Let's see.
Are we talking about some long-legged dojis? Are we talking about some morning stars, some shooting stars? Are we talking about some? I mean, what are you talking about, man?
Man, you know what I just realized too is that wait. You're looking at. Okay, hold on. You're looking at Ethereum and the US dollar on Gemini, and it's at what price currently?
Oh, I don't know. Does it matter?
Oh, no. I just wanted to see something. Okay, so it's at what? Okay, 240. Okay, all right, cool.
Oh, shit. Look at that. What is that? Somebody tell me what that is right there.
Uh-oh. What are we looking at?
Oh, man.
Going into that 1 hour.
What is that?
Oh,
what is this? Actually,
yo, that's it. Yo, Ethereum looks fucking gorgeous, bro.
Oh, my God. It looks beautiful.
Yo, I'm loving that trend line.
Beautiful. You know what other trend line looks beautiful? That one right there.
Yeah.
You know why?
Why is that?
Break, hook,
break.
Go. Oh, man.
Let's go. Need that bread. Let's go.
So, for the record, I like my $100 bills unmarked and non-sequential in large bags, quart bags.
In large bags. Right, I want the bag with the handle on it, so I keep that distance.
Right.
And you know what?
Yo.
That, that was just Ethereum, right?
Ethereum.
Yeah. Yep.
Oh God.
Ethereum was fucking.
I just get these freaking chills with Ethereum though.
And I'm not saying that's exactly what's going to happen, but there's a pretty damn good likelihood. I mean, I would assess with medium confidence that there is a high probability of this happening.
Yeah.
You know, just go back to the conversation we had about 20 minutes ago.
Okay.
About projects.
Uh-huh.
You know, you got the technical analysis that shows, you know, this curve, you know, it's all this math. And then you have the consumer confidence, you know, and sentiment. When they're looking at a company and a project, what are they doing behind the scenes? It's like, I don't see Ethereum doing much. There's no. I mean, literally, there is. So, for what I've seen, this is my opinion.
Yeah. I totally see your question. You're absolutely right.
They don't have no advertising. They don't have no freaking, you know.
And let me explain. Technical. Let me explain, right? I'm a technical analyst. I read the charts, and I have to assume that everything inside the charts accounts for all of the fundamental knowledge that has already been presented to the public in the past.
Yep. Okay,
right?
Wait, hold on.
Wait.
No, say that again.
Okay, so in technical analysis, to be a technical analyst, you have to make the assumption that every single person in the market is trading under the pretense and knowledge of all historical activity that has happened in that project.
Okay, time out right there. From the military background, I have heard, and this is not just putting you down on anything, but assumptions are the mother of all fuck-ups.
You're absolutely right. And that's what we call dumb money. And you know what? And I'm okay with it because I'm going to take it, and that's going to feed my wife and child. I got no problems with it.
No. You know, it's great. I love that, taking that risk. You know, that's me. I love that risk. But,
right.
But then
so
there's this piece that.
Let me finish my statement. Carlos, let me finish my statement, brother.
Go ahead, buddy.
Right. So technical analysis shows us that we operate under the assumption that all information in the market is known in the past. Now, fundamental analysis, which is what you're talking about, absolutely has an impact on the market. There are times where these candles make some very wonky moves that I cannot explain. The charts do.
So where do you take that into consideration, though?
Say that again.
When do you just put that into the question?
Well, once I see it, like let's I don't know here. Let me just scroll down to a random chart. Polymath, right?
Let me rephrase that. Which one is more inherently bigger than the other one? It's like, okay, you got one that has the consumer, you know, confidence, and you got the other one that is more of just a technical. When do you merge both?
All the time. When you can't explain price action, like you see this inherent volatility here. You see all these wicks, all these crazy wicks coming up here. That is strictly technical. It's pure emotion.
You mean that those
these spikes? It's pure emotion. And unless you can provide to me some reason in the news, this spike right here might be a news pump, or it might be a pump and dump group.
And you know, that's my point. That's my point.
Right. Oh, perfect example. Let's go to Theta. Theta. Where are you at? Theta. Okay. So let's go back. This right here, this wick was a coordinated pump and dump effort. Right? It absolutely was. It was a coordinated pump and dump effort.
So it had nothing to do with the company bringing some innovative technology or anything.
Correct. Had absolutely nothing to do with that. But if we come in here and we pull our fibs, oh man, that's a square up.
Steady climb.
I'm telling you, right? So just because fundamentals come into play and manipulate this market doesn't mean that you can't figure out what's going to happen next.
Yeah.
Now this chimed in, and you could see a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Nope, just kidding. It's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is a 3-wave. And then 4 or 5 up to the top, right? So you had an extended 3rd wave inside your 5-wave Elliott impulse.
Yeah.
I don't expect you to understand what that means, but
no, that's fine. But
this is a huge 5-wave. Say again?
What drove that climb?
This climb right here, initially it started out to be this square up. Then as soon as we got here into this bull flag, then the release of theta fuel, which was a fundamental release, caused another bull flag to push it up to incredible all-time highs.
So it was all technology based.
In this particular case, the push over the 423, I expected it to stop right here. This is where I said no more. It's not going to go any higher than right here. What happened? Theta fuel came out.
So that's my point. Poof. That's my point. You can get these freaking crazy one-ups for no reason.
Right.
And then when you're combining the business piece of this whole project, and you get, okay, we got this great thing coming out on the market, and you merge it with advertisement, you merge it with the guys that will put it out there and make the noise because there's some value that you're bringing into the market. You're gonna see that coin climb, not as sharp as you show, in the past, but it's a steady climbing that is like, hey, on this day we're gonna release whatever, release version of whatever,
right?
And at that point, you're building value for your investors, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah, that was my whole point right there.
Yeah, I mean, I think in that situation, you kind of have to be careful sometimes too, because I've definitely seen where companies do that and they'll push out new shit and the price won't really do anything.
Right.
Good point. But why doesn't do anything?
Okay, so
is it because the technology is not there, or is it because the marketing guys are not doing the job?
Okay, so here's my thing. When I think about fundamental analysis and I think about technical analysis, this is my personal opinion, right? And understand, take what I'm about to say with a grain of salt, right? But numbers don't lie. Emotions, it's a different fucking story.
Fact. Absolute fact.
That's what it is. Numbers don't lie, but emotions is a different story.
Yeah, emotions are the jobs of the marketing people. They should be doing their job.
Well, and that's why I say rule number 1, have a plan. Stick to that plan, implement that plan, and stay true to it. I will tell you 100%, 100% truthful that in the month of April, we had 13 projects stopped out.
Right.
Because of that massive capitulation drop the massive rise in Bitcoin. All the alts plummeted. Alt season ended. And I had 13 projects hit their stop loss and absolutely die. And that hurt. But we had a plan. We had risk mitigation factors in play such that we only lost 2% of our portfolios in those plays. Well, guess what? Out of those 13 trades that we had, we lost 26% of our portfolios. I had 5 other trades that had over 100% gains. Do I give 2 shits about a 2% loss?
Nah.
Nope.
Yeah.
That's why you're talking from the investment, point of view. But from the little guy that is looking at a project.
Yeah. And
investing, whatever they can into a project.
You have to change your mindset.
Right.
Yeah, got to.
You have to change your mindset.
And if you are on the other side, if you are on the project, and either you are the marketing guy, or you are the technical guy, or you are the business people that drives the project forward, you have to bring all those pieces together to, cohesively freaking
work together.
Yeah, work together to attain that goal.
Right, but sometimes you will be able to work together. You'll be able to attain that goal, but if you aren't on the same page emotionally, it doesn't mean a damn thing.
You're right.
No, well, you know what?
Facts.
Lyndon and I were talking about this, I don't know, like 3 weeks ago, when we were talking about, oh my God.
What are we talking about?
Tron.
What about it? Oh, yeah.
The great marketing strategy. This guy, amazing. He's a freaking Twitter and climbs a little bit.
Yeah.
But where's the tech behind it? There's no tech behind it.
Let's talk about Tron.
You bring it to the market. None.
Let's talk about Tron for a second, right?
Yeah.
So I got the Tron Bitcoin chart up, and as we see here is another prime example of a 423 down to an 833, and oh, by the way, here's a square up move.
Yeah.
So what's going to happen next, right? Now we can come over here and say if, and it is a big if.
Maybe when Justin comes up, come online and freaking throw a couple words.
I want to see that happen. If I don't see a break, hook, and go off of my red moving average, which should come out through here, then this is garbage, and we're going to push down
further.
So low. You'd be like, it could never go that low, to use a good buddy of mine's terminology there.
Yeah.
It could never go that low. Dude, this thing will get destroyed.
Yeah.
It will get, oh, look at that candle. Are you shitting me?
Yeah.
Like,
that's
really,
my point.
dude, are you shitting me? That is going to come down and get wrecked.
Right.
That's my point. The company is an advertisement company, but they have nothing behind it. There has no substance behind it from the technical perspective.
Right.
Yeah. There's nothing that they can show. Definitely nothing they can show.
I'm a true believer, and Steven, you know this, coming from the background that we have. It's like when you have an acquisition program, you just merge all the pieces that go together to come to a common goal at the end. And it is the financial piece, the advertisement piece, the technology piece, the whole thing of that, MLPF, and you know what that means, right?
Right. Yep. Yeah, and you're not wrong. I mean, the same philosophy applies here, with a slight twist.
Yeah.
Right. So here is more of an intellectual capacity. It's more of a very fluid analytical process, as opposed to the set in stone, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. This might go step 1, step 5, step 2, step 19, step 6, back to step 1. Right. It depends on what's going on in the market.
Yeah.
And if you can't adjust on the fly, you're going to get left behind, and you're going to get wrecked.
Facts.
I wanna go ahead and just engage with the chat real quick. Yusuf Taki says a product has to fulfill a need.
Not true.
That's true.
Okay.
I believe in
Steven
that.
says not true.
No, I mean, so I agree with you to the extent that if you want a product to flourish, yes, it has to fulfill a need. It has to solve a problem. But that doesn't mean that you can't make money off of shit coins.
Facts.
Look at Tron, Dogecoin, or Dogecoin, whatever the fuck you want to call it. Ripple. I mean, there's so many shit coins out there that you can make money off of.
Yo, so Steven,
and I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna make money.
Hey, time out. No, you getting timed out now. You are going to time out. You time everyone out. Now it's your turn for timeout. Yo, Steven, real quick. I've been asking. I wanted to ask you this, man. So
go ahead.
Today I opened up a position in Matic.
I saw that. Yeah.
I'm already out of it, but I mean, dude, can you pull up the chart on this? I want to hear your, unbiased opinion on this, based on what you see.
Hey, I'll tell you what. I have not looked at this chart at all. I literally am just adding it right this very second. So let's take a look. Let's walk this through the process from start to finish.
So this is the
this is Binance, right? So Matic Bitcoin on Binance.
Yeah.
And I literally just added it 15 seconds ago. I haven't even looked at it yet, right? So we have our typical J curve right here.
This is April 26th. Okay.
April 26th. What are you talking about?
Is this the 1 day?
Yeah, we're on the hourly chart.
Oh, hourly, yeah.
All right, we're on the hourly chart.
Oh, okay,
It started on 26 April. Okay. All right, so I'm looking at this chart. I see a break hook and go off the red moving average. I see a decent wave structure here. And I'm seeing a simple retrace. So first things first, I want to see where we stand at a top to bottom. So is this the bottom? Yes, it is. And it squared up that bottom. So let's take it up to the top and see where we're at. So there's our first Fibonacci retracement level. Okay, we take it from the bottom, squared up, so that means we don't have to go any lower than that point. Now we're going to come up. If I were to plot this leg of money, I'm pretty sure that would be a 423. You want to put some money on it?
No.
You should have, because I would have lost. Right? Right. If we take this here, we come up to the top there. Yeah, I would have lost. That blew off the top. So I'm guessing FOMO came in there and took that apart. But you can see how well it respects those fibs. That's beautiful. Look, it came right back to the 3618, right? So I'm okay with that. That gives me the warm fuzzy. We have a trend line. We're respecting that trend line here. Whoa, that's horrible. So we'll go ahead and chart that. Now what's going to happen here? We have a 1, a 2, and then a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is a third wave, extended third flat, 4 and 5. That's our top. Now we have an ABC correction. This correction, I am fully anticipating going back down to the 833. And oh, by the way, we're going to do one of these numbers. Oh man, how about that?
Matic's on the decline.
I don't think I would touch that. But you certainly got in there and you were able to buy lunch for people.
Dude, so for I mean, I don't know exactly where I got in, but it was just going off the charts, man. I want to be the guy that gets in right there, where you drew that. Yeah, like, right there, dude. Because, dude, that was like the other day, bro.
There's so many projects. So Jesse Durney in there, he's asking about VeChain, right? I like VeChain. I like the project. I like what it stands for. But let's take a look at that. Dude, this is a straight one-way ticket to get wrecked city.
Damn.
Are you fucking shitting me, dude? 26 sats.
He said a one-way ticket to get wrecked city.
Hey, yo, I'm lit. I'm lit in the chat right now. My bad. I just won 85 Yoshis against Carlo.
Oh.
Yo, man. All right, now cash in them Yoshis and get me a bottle on the counter.
I got
you. Gonna need a lot of Yoshis for that.
Right? Look at this, right? We talk about the break hook and go. We talk about the 423. We talk about all this stuff. We talk about the square up. We talk about the support line. All of this is covered in my training course, right? Every time we come through here, this is putting in a capitulation move. It's gonna drop. We got the break hook and go. We're gonna come down to 26 sats. Sorry, dude. That sucks. Where is this going to go after that ends? I'll tell you, it's going to be a lot higher than its all-time high.
Wow.
I had this charted a while back. I think we had something like, man, VeChain was going to go from 20 some odd cents to like $3 and change. Oh man, I'd have been a millionaire.
Okay, so real dude, and again, I know at this point, man, like you're just over delivering. So I thank you again, bro. So one of our loyal viewers, he's been like an OG with us from like a very long time ago. Every time we hop in the stream, this gentleman is talking about Digibyte. And he just asked me if I could ask you to bring up the Digibyte chart.
Yeah, I can do that. Absolutely.
Thanks, man. Hey, D, there you go, bro.
Before I roll, this one's for Jesse. He always asks me about this damn project, Origin Trail. Right. Dude, nothing's changed. It's still getting wrecked. We plotted it way back here. It's still getting wrecked.
Damn, bro.
I told you what was going to happen. Look what's happening. It's the same shit. Okay. Digibyte. Let's look at DGB.
Man, your trading view is lit. You got about 100 coins in there.
Man, and I'm not even. What is it? Bittrex chart or Bitfinex? Tell me which. What exchange do you want?
Yo, D, which exchange? Jesse says, "Glad I stayed out of that. Thanks to Steven."
I warned you. I warned you.
Let me make sure he's still here. Yo, D, are you here?
Are you here?
D, I'm gonna give you 60 seconds, man. 30 seconds. Yo, why are people still joining in, dude? We keep going up in viewers, bro.
Yo, I'm telling. Yo, we gonna talk. We gonna talk.
Yo, yeah. D, you're still here. Okay, yo, what was it? What were
we're in DGB, but which exchange do you want?
Which exchange? Bittrex or?
He said yes.
Yes.
All of them.
Okay.
Hey, how about this? Hey, Steven, can you do us a favor? Can you do Digibyte to Bitcoin Pure on every exchange real fast?
No, I can't.
He's like, hell no.
No. All right. So here's what I want, right? Here's what I'm looking at. There is some serious upside potential. Okay. If we zoom out to the daily, you can see all of this extra movement. We got the square up, bro. We got that square up. It's done. It is set. And there's nothing wrong with that. So what happens once we get this square up? Once we clean up, oh man, who won that? Who put in some money?
I don't know what that. I gambled Carlos, but it didn't say nothing.
I don't know what that was.
I don't know what that was. Yeah.
All right. So we got the square up, which is great. So that tells us that this could potentially be a bottom, right? I see a decent wave structure here. When we're talking about Elliott wave pattern, we've got a decent structure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 1 doesn't even cross into the, or 4 doesn't even cross into the wave structure of 1, which seems to be the routine for Bitcoin or for most cryptos. So we come down here, we're looking at this, and this very well could be the bottom. Now, it has to prove it to us first. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run in on the 4-hour chart, and you can see how this is running my red moving average. Now this is our Block Society's proprietary moving average. It's a time sequence pivot point based moving average. Available to all my ATA students. And I see this, if this goes up, I see 135%. Oh man, look at that. Did you see that? What is this? If we come up over here, what is that? Is that a square up?
Yeah, wait, that's not even that's 2019. That's not even what is the all-time high for Digibyte?
Oh, dude, it's way the hell up there.
Oh, it's super.
Yeah, it's way up there, right?
All right, there you go, D.
Wow.
Yo, all right, guys. It is definitely crypto after dark. It's almost crypto with the sunrise. Yo, first off, chat, everybody that's here, I need you to come out full-fledged right now and just everybody say thank you, Steven, in the chat. Just everybody spam thank you, Steven.
Yo,
everybody, I want to see everybody in this chat say thank you, Steven.
You want to say thank you to me? Go save yourselves. Go to our Facebook group and join our public Facebook group because it's going to save you. Yeah. I'm going to put out information that's going to prevent you from FOMOing in or catching falling knives and prevent you from getting wrecked. If you want to thank me, come over to the Facebook group and join so that I can save your punk asses.
Yeah, and he does. He really does. Like, he does it. Max, this is I'm in the group.
But it's too lit right now, guys. It is too lit. I mean, everybody is still here. I don't think we've ever streamed for this long. I think we just broke a new record, man. You might want to look at the chart on that one.
Yo,
because I really think we just Pisces says, do not forget to play 3088 and 3044 tomorrow. Box in your state or 5 dimes. Win 5K plus for more cryptos. Pisces, what are you talking about?
What the fuck does that even mean?
What is that? What the lottery?
Yeah.
For the pick 4? Why 3088 and 3044?
You guys ready to just be absolutely mind blown?
Oh yeah, we gotta do the big boy of the night. Definitely.
I don't even think you're ready for this.
The Bitcoin.
Man, I don't think you're ready for this.
John Doe, much love, man. Block Society on Facebook.
Yeah, Block Society on Facebook.
Yeah,
I'll add you right now.
Go show some love, D.
We got a Telegram group. We got a Facebook group.
Yo, just tell everybody. Oh, my bad. Not to cut you off, Steven. I was going to say, to make it easy for everybody, I have all of Block Society's information in the YouTube description. I mean, I have everything. Twitter, website, Telegram, Facebook, everything. All the links are already in there. They've been in there from the start.
Almost.
Description,
so check this out, right? On the website, we've got all our free content in the crypto information gateway. You got we push out some stuff to the public. That's not, it is what it is. We like to hook you up with some free knowledge. In there, exchange and trading fundamentals. This takes you from I don't know shit about crypto to I just made my first trade and I'm happy about it. But the cool thing is we also have a forum. Come over here, register for free on the Block Society forum, and you can come over here and start asking, what is it? Bullpen podcast. I don't know nothing about that. I don't know nothing about that, right? Right. So you can come in here and you can read about all these different cool stuff, trading strategies, fundamental analysis, technical analysis. Come post your questions, ask your questions, talk about it. And you might see someone in here will post something about their TA. Well, if they're in the Academy of Technical Analysis and they've passed a certain level, you'll see it right there. That gives them a little street cred, right? They know what the hell they're talking about. You can probably trust them.
Yeah, that's lit. That's dope.
We got some people, right? So you can come over there and chat with us. We got the Telegram group. We got the LinkedIn. We got the Facebook. We got the Twitter.
Much love, man. Definitely love it, bro. Yo, 1980 just says crypto vampires. Yo, I like that 1980.
I like that.
I like that. Yo, that's lit. We might have to put that on a t-shirt. 1980 crypto vampires. Vamping, you already know. Yo, listen, chat, I want to say thank you again to everybody. Steven, thank you so much for stopping by, man. It was an absolute pleasure hanging with you. I'm sure we'll definitely be doing some stuff in the future again. And
yeah, for sure.
It's all positive vibes, man. Yeah. So yeah, I mean, chat, what do you think, chat? Should we stick around for a little bit?
You guys that's up to you, but I'm looking at my screen right now and I'm seeing some stuff that might be interesting.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, okay.
That's totally up to you, man. If you want to close it down, we'll close it down.
Yo, we got to talk. Wait,
I mean, no, we can hang out for a few more minutes. I thought you had to go, so I was.
Hey, I don't have to go. Shit, dude.
Okay.
It's 2 o'clock my time.
Wait. Let me ask the chat. Chat, should we stay on? Should we stay on for a few more minutes? Just yes or no in the chat. Will you guys stay? Because I mean, we need to have you guys here with us. So, yes or no in the chat. Should we stay on for a few more minutes?
Facts.
I think we've been streaming so long that we're almost at the 8-hour mark.
We getting there.
We getting there. Yo, video says, I want to let everybody know this is live, okay? This shit is live. You go to YouTube, go look at all those live streams right now. Those shits are pre-recorded. This is the only live stream for crypto on YouTube right now on the entire platform.
Fact.
The whole world, if they want to live, we're trending right now on if you go to YouTube and type in crypto and live stream, we'll come up.
Word.
Video Biscuit says double down. D says let it ride. Carlito is out of way. Yo, Carlito, man, you ready to check out?
Freaking, I don't know, man.
Carlos is sad because I took all his Yoshis.
Right, somebody get Carlos to talk about technology because he'll go all night.
Facts.
I also want to give a big shout out to everybody that donated to the show tonight, man. Thank you so much again. I can't say it enough, man.
I still gotta get that info from whoever won the era.
Yeah, she's on there. Yeah, I got y'all in the chat.
Yeah, Pisces is here.
Yeah. Oh, matter of fact, can I say something real quick?
Nah, bro. Nah, you don't have a voice in this community, bro. Nah, go ahead.
Yo, so no, for real, on some cool, real cool shit. Shout out to Block Society on this one. But seriously, if you look in the show notes, under all the Block Society information, I'll put in a discount code for everybody who wants to go check it out. So deadass, for every tier of membership, you get 30% off for the first month. Every tier. The discount code is Bullpen30 from my podcast. Bullpen30. So, if you're interested, go check it out.
I'll tell you, that's one of the biggest discounts we have ever put out there, man.
That's love, man. When you at first gave me that, I was like, really? I mean, I was shocked.
Like for real. That's normally our platinum membership is $200 a month, and we're gonna let you have the first month for $130 to $70 off the first month. What?
And I just seen the whole inside of the platform too. So yeah.
Yo, video says let's hear from Carlos. Carlito.
What up, Carlos?
I just freaking read it. It's like freaking sipping on that wine. What the hell?
You sipping on what are you sipping on? Grape juice? Yo, John, what's up, bro? Talk to me.
Jesus juice, man. Come on.
Oh, yeah. What's up, John? You sleep?
Yo, John, what's the deal, brother? Yo, John, where are you from again, dude?
St. Louis.
Oh, that's right, man. How's it up there right now?
Oh shit, I forgot Coca-Cola Boy was here.
He in my hometown.
Yo, dude. Yeah, John's the homie, man. DJ Torque. I don't know. Chat, what do you guys want to talk about? Throw us some suggestions.
Please.
And, we'll keep it rolling for a little bit.
So about the OD on these charts. Oh, go ahead, John. What you about to say?
No, you're good.
OD on my charts.
Ethereum looked nice. I was wondering how Ethereum Classic looked.
Ether Classic?
Yeah.
ETC.
Yo, real talk. Yo, ever since Ether Classic team was like, yo, fuck this and walked away, I haven't heard shit about Ether Classic. Like nothing. It's been so quiet.
ETC.
Yeah.
Let me okay, there you go. ETC USD 1 day Coinbase. Steph says let's talk about ECC.
Oh,
it's about done, Holmes. You got a little bit more room in there, but it's about done. You squared up this candle. You had a ridiculous spike up there. It's not coming back up. That just squared that up. You're coming back down, brother. It's done.
Oof.
That thing is done skis. So what I expect to see here is good. We'll get a nice little exhaustion move here. Right, we'll come down, we'll bounce off the 168. We'll test that 2618. Depending on what happens, it could do this. I don't think it will, but it could. I expect it to bounce off that 2618, get a bounce, hook, and go, and we'll come back to the 833. And that's okay. That's a healthy retrace, right? Because in theory, what's that doing, right? If we look at that in the long scheme of things, that's going to set that trend. We're going to come right back down here. We're going to bounce off, and then we'll be able to set up new highs. We'll come back up here. We got this to worry about right here, right? Or we could take it a step further and say, nah, I think we're going to come all the way up here.
Set.
And we're going to test. What the hell is this? Well, that's pretty close right there. Oh, look at that. Square up.
Damn.
Yeah, that's what I see happening.
Damn move.
We'll come down, we'll bounce off of there, and then we'll ride up. $15. $15, little man. Put that.
Got nothing but time and opportunity. Time and opportunity.
What else you got?
Yo, let's talk about Bitcoin. We gotta do the Bitcoin. You gotta do the big dog.
Oh, you want to go there?
I want to go there.
Bitcoin's going to the moon. How about that?
Let's do it. To the moon.
to the
now wait, are we talking like Peter Brandt moon, or are we talking like John McAfee moon?
No.
He's like, no.
Okay, so let's take a step back here, right? If I just came out and straight up told you, hey, Bitcoin's going to 1 million, or Bitcoin's going to 100 grand, or whatever, you're gonna be like, you are full of shit. Yeah. Satoshi is Craig Wright? No. Craig Wright is not Satoshi. Yeah. Craig Wright is a damn fraud that needs to be shot in the face. Uh-oh. Sorry. All right.
I hear that.
Right. Okay. So let's rewind back to common, simple analysis, simple mathematics, right? Everybody understands what Fibonacci sequence is. You take the two previous numbers and you add it together. 1, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, 89, 144, right? And 233 all the way up. Right. So it's relative. If you look at Bitcoin going all the way back, where's my Bitstamp chart? Mm-hmm. And we go all the way. Oh man, I cleared it. That's bullshit. All right. I had this charted out so beautifully. But if you go back here on the weekly time frame and you start looking at how this price action works over time. It started out, it went 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, 89, right? So we went from $55 to $89. We came back to that retrace, and then we shot up and went up to the $144, and then came back and retraced back to 89, and then shot up to 233, and then came back down and then shot up, right? So Bitcoin very much follows Fibonacci sequence. Now let's move the decimal place. We still have 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, 89, right? We still have that. But now we have 21, 30, we have 3,400. What happened at 3,400? So if we take that 34, which is the Fibonacci sequence number, let's look at the daily chart. What happened at 3,400? Oh man,
Yep.
that's a nice support line, right?
Yeah.
What happened at 5,500? Oh man, that's a nice support / floor, ceiling, whatever the fuck you want to call it.
Yeah.
What do you think's gonna happen at 8,900? Oh, look at all of that. So bottom line is, you move the decimal over, and you got some room to go. Wave 1, 1, 2, 3 comes up to the 423.
Yeah.
Then we retrace back.
Ooh.
Oh crap, not that one. From the bottom to the top. We retrace back to the 61.8, which is here. All right, so we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and the fifth wave is a monster. Normally, the third wave is the largest wave.
The largest wave. Yeah, that's what I'm about to say. So this is about to be drastically different.
Okay. So I haven't, I did this on the daily candle. I didn't dive right in. But if we go back and look at the Coinbase chart, you can see where I have up here.
Hey guys,
We're actually plotted it out. I got 89,000 as my fifth wave on the top.
Yo, Carlos, you punching?
yeah, I'm gonna freaking just punch out.
All right, brother. Yo, thank you so much for stopping by, bro.
Someone's texting me freaking late night,
Ooh.
Oh, Carlos got a rendezvous.
Okay. All right, yo, everybody, say goodbye to Carlito.
Freaking this girl is like very intense. I'm like,
oh, the wine is talking. All right, Carlos. Everybody say bye, Carlos. We'll see you later.
oh, hey,
Adios.
Steven, you don't even know where this girl's from. Colorado Springs.
Oh.
Man, I'm
Yo,
gonna
Christian
leave-
Martinez,
I'm gonna
welcome
leave
to the
that one
broadcast.
alone, man. I would
Yeah,
just say,
maybe next week I'll have some good time in Colorado.
All right,
you go.
all right, Carlos, I'm ejecting you. Bye.
Gotta go.
Yo,
All right.
D-Lock said that's Carlito's way.
Stop.
Yo, chat. I want to give a big shout out to Christian Martinez that just tuned in. If everyone can welcome them to the broadcast. Hey, Christian, thanks for stopping by.
Thank you. For real.
All right, go ahead.
Okay, so who was that in there? D-Lock, you asked about polymath. Well, here's your chart. I don't know what else to tell you. I hope you got out.
Damn.
Sorry, bro.
Got him.
I mean, that sucks.
Got a ways to go.
Damn. Rip.
Yo,
What up?
these odds are getting fucking smacked. Yo, so
Yeah.
yeah, you know Bitcoin about to go up with all of this shit, all of this retracement that still needs to happen.
Pablo Trader
So-
says, does Satoshi approve of Tether Print-a-Pump?
Oh my God, don't get me started on that. We will be here for another hour, dude.
Yo, Pablo
Tether-
Trader, I don't recognize your name, so welcome. Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead, Steven.
Tether, Bitfinex, all that BS. It's trash. Okay, let me rewind a little bit and take a deep breath before I get really fired up. Tether, USDT, TUSD, stable coins, USDC. Any stable coin is dumb. And let me explain why. It's not about just Tether. It's not about USDC or TUSD or any of the other coins. It doesn't matter. I don't care about that. It's heavily manipulated, and it is what it is. People are trying to make money. Why would anybody create a stable coin if they're not going to make any money off of it? Why would anybody
That's
go
true.
through the hassle of trying to manipulate that if they're not going to be profitable on it? But anyway, that's irrelevant.
Yep.
My personal strategy is, why would you want to put yourself into a neutral zone, a neutral market, when you do in fact have coins that are counter trending to the popular coins? And what I mean by that is, let's take a look. Is my chart still up? You guys watching my chart?
Yeah. You're up.
Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull up a double chart here just for grins, and I can't believe I'm giving you guys this information. This is ridiculous. I should charge money for this.
Appreciate it though.
Yeah,
Highly appreciate it.
So let's look. I'm gonna put BNB over here on this chart, and I'm gonna put Binance or Bitcoin on this chart. Okay. What's that look like to you?
The exact opposite.
Yeah. Right? So right now, Bitcoin over here operates completely tangential or inversely proportional to that of Binance Coin. Let's go back to the singular world. Let's go look at Binance Coin. We put this out ages ago that Binance Coin was putting in a good Elliott wave structure. We've got this major 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 coming up, right?
Yep.
Huge Elliott wave structure. And then on the inside of those Elliott waves, we've got internal or intermediate Elliott waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B, C as your correction. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? All the way up. Okay. Then what happened here kind of threw me for a loop. And this is when Bitcoin decided it wanted to go wonky. What this corrective wave is, normally you'd see an ABC, and it would be a lower low, a lower high, and then another lower low to be ABC on a corrective wave 4. But what this is called is an extended flat.
Yeah.
Right. So we have an extended flat corrective wave 4 going up to wave 5. Now, I don't know about you guys, but we come back to our block society. Look, my wife's bitching at me. Crazy.
Get the fuck off the line.
Yeah, we go back to Bitcoin way back here, or I'm sorry, Binance Coin way back here. Man, I told you what was going to happen. We had our extended wave, A, B, C, our extended flat corrective wave. We have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the way down to 4. I mean, what's going to happen next? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And granted, we're on a daily scale here, whereas over here we're on a 4-hour scale, so the charts look a little different, right? But we came down, we nailed that 4 target, and now we're coming back up. What do you think is going to happen next? Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Man,
right? I mean, you just can't make this shit up. So if this happens, if this happens the way I think it's going to happen, and this will actually come, oh, that's almost right. Perfect where it's supposed to be. Hey, I expect to see Bitcoin go up.
Yeah.
Right? So we look at Bitcoin. It's inversely proportional. Oh, dear God, those are big candles.
Yeah, those are big candles, too.
Right? So we look at Bitcoin. I still expect it to come up here. Right? You see where the left shoulder is?
Yeah.
Where the resistance on the left shoulder is? This is where the resistance on the right shoulder should be. So we have a little upside to go, right?
Yeah.
So if this is going up, where's Binance Coin going?
Down.
Hey, what happened here? Oh, look, it's coming down.
Man.
Oh, my God.
Yo, I gotta keep it 100, man. I'm charted what they call the fuck out right now. Straight up. I think I'm good for a month. Yeah.
Rookie.
Hey, I'll be that rookie though. That's why we have you and Lyndon.
Hey.
Man, look, I gotta say this, dude. The people in the chat are freaking legends for being here. We've been live for 5 hours, chat.
Yo, oh my God.
And you guys are still rocking with us, man. Like D, Video, Biscuit. I'm pretty sure some people fell asleep by now.
Where's Colin at? I know Colin's still in there.
Dude, Colin fell asleep like 2 hours ago. Nah, I haven't seen Colin yet lately for the past hour at least. But Pablo says, right on, guys. Just saying, if Satoshi comes back, the community needs to try to understand and respect him.
Oh, shit.
Steph and Tony says, I'm here and it's dark now in Sydney.
Damn,
dude. Yo.
Yeah, I want to come buy some property on like Perth area. I want to come down there.
Dude, they're actually property investors, man. They're the people to talk to.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I got people down there that I was deployed with that were, SAS guys down there. But they just disappeared. I can't get in touch with them anymore.
Dude,
I'm
yo,
trying to get down there.
Shout out to John, dude. Yo, Torque, you still there, bro?
Yo,
what's up, dude? Yo, you so quiet, bro. You just be chilling.
No, I'm just listening.
Taking it all in.
Yeah,
Did I blow your mind yet, or what?
No, yeah, it's good.
You think I'm full of shit?
No.
You can tell me I'm full of shit. That's cool.
No.
Ain't gonna hurt my feelings at all.
No.
Man. I think with our chat, because our community is so transparent, that the chat would have roasted you a long time ago. Yeah, they would have.
Yeah, I ain't even gonna lie. If you was shit, you wouldn't even be here right now.
Yeah, definitely. Love you guys. Later, bitches. Enjoyed the guest tonight. Yo, video. Thank you so much, man. And yo, to anybody who hasn't liked the video, please do so. We keep getting viewers here. The numbers going up. Yeah, thank you so much if you're tuning in. Guys, listen. Really big news, okay? We're now at 167 subscribers. We are 33 subscribers away from 200 subscribers, which is insane.
Yes.
Because when I started his YouTube channel, the day I started, I told Lyndon, bro, we don't have any subscribers, but it's all good. We're going to make it work. He said, no, we have one subscriber. I said, who's that? He said, it's me.
It's me.
You were our only subscriber. And now we have 167, man. So please sub up if you haven't already. Dude.
I feel you.
Yeah.
Yo,
but you know what?
Crazy.
Hey, you got to understand, you don't want that bullshit growth. You want quality people. And I think that's what you got, right?
Yeah, dude, you can tell.
You look at Block Society too. We don't have stupid numbers. I don't have 1 million damn clients, and I don't want 1 million damn clients.
Nah.
We want smart money. We want people who are gonna listen, who are gonna understand, and how to play this market and how to take dumb money.
Facts.
Yo, Steph says, nah, Perth is over on the other side of the country. Go Byron Bay. Chris Hemsworth has property there and is gorgeous. You all look shagged. Yo, Steph, we don't talk like that over here, okay? We're tired, exhausted, shagged.
Right, you don't say shagged.
We don't call toilets dunnies. We don't call
I haven't been shagged in, it's been a hot minute. Just saying.
Nah, I'm about shagged. Let me make it 168 subs. Yo, Mr. Scary, what's up, man? Welcome to the broadcast.
Welcome,
Pablo said, "Gabe, thumbs up for the shout out, man. Much love, dude."
Facts.
Yo, one thing I learned about Aussie women is they are vulgar as fuck.
Bruh. Yes, no fucks given.
Yeah, no fucks given at all. Yo, Yusuf says Austin Powers. Yeah, right. Shag now, shag later. Yeah, thank you to everybody, man.
Oh,
seriously.
Shit. Hey, who was it that asked about EOS earlier?
Who was it? I'd scroll up to the chat, but there's way too many messages.
Yeah, it's hella too many messages.
Let me show you this. I don't know if you're even still on here or not, but I'm gonna put it out there anyway.
Yeah, we'll have it on the VOD. So
yeah.
So I was just scrolling through here, looking at my charts, and what we have here is a little exhaustion move. So we got a break off through the red moving average. We got the break, the hook, and the go. It's coming down to the 833 to square up that candle. Look at that. Beautiful. Right? Now, that's EOS Bitcoin. But let's look at Tether.
Oh, God.
What's going on up here? What do you think's going to happen after they clean that up?
shit.
Oh shit, son.
Yeah. That's going down.
Dude, 1, 2, 3, 4. Gonna make some lower lows, brother. It's going to nothing. Oh, it'll never go that low, right?
Yeah, what's the opposite of infinity?
Oh, yeah.
Yo, listen.
EOS is gonna die.
Listen, chat.
Man.
As much as I love this stream, if I stay in it for 2 more minutes, I'm going to literally
just gonna fall asleep.
At this keyboard. Yo, we've been live for over 5 hours, man. I mean, guys, what other crypto live stream community can you hang out for this? We started streaming 5 hours ago. I don't even remember what I did yesterday. I've been streaming for so long.
What is that? 5 hours? That's like a slow Tuesday in crypto. Come on.
That is a slow Tuesday in crypto.
Dude, this show used to be an hour long. Then it was 3 hours long. Somehow we ended up getting to 5 hours long. Yo, good night, Pisces. Thank you for joining in. Guys, listen. Here's the thing, though. Our stream schedule, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.
Facts.
Right? Now,
Facts.
We don't even really get a break tomorrow because we're going to be streaming on Monday already. So it's like today's Saturday. So, you know, Pisces says time to go to the gym. Enjoy the gym. Pablo, that's a great question. Unfortunately, we'll only answer it if you subscribe to the channel.
Yep.
Please.
Matter of fact, subscribe to the channel, and then go over to Block Society on Facebook.
Yeah.
Do that.
Yo, all right, guys, listen, you've been so great. Seriously, my name's Ross Alex, co-host of the show, Crypto Bully, Lyndon Morgan. You already know our special guest here tonight was Block Society. We had the homie Jeremy come by. He had to peel out early. Real cool dude right there. Top guy, stand-up guy. And then we had the homie Steven stick around with us for like 3 hours and just provide endless amounts of content and value. So thank you so much, Steven. And then we got the homie DJ Torque, who's always hanging out with us on the live streams. Show Torque some love. He's the homie. Definitely a cool guy right there. And Jesse says, one hell of a show, gentlemen. Dude, thank you so much. Steph says, sleep well. Guys, we'll be back Monday night. You already know. Like, we'll be here. 10 p.m. Central Time, 11 o'clock Eastern. It's been real. Lyndon, bro, go ahead and close us out, man.
Yeah, man. Y'all already know, man. Man, y'all make sure y'all have a really good rest of the. I can't even say night because it's pretty much not night anymore. It's about to be day. Make sure y'all have a good rest of the day. Monday, I'm telling y'all, be here. I got some really dope news. Nobody knows about this. Not even Ross. I didn't tell nobody. Nobody knows. Come through. I'm telling you, you're going to want to be here for this. Monday is going to be lit. It's going to be lit. Come through. Facts. Crypto Legends. You already know what's up.
Have a great night, everybody.
Take it easy.
Peace.